凌晨12點，越夜越心慌。
好，嚟到12月6號嘅12月7號嘅越夜越心慌。
12月
你仲未翻嚟喎
？1月，
今日係2月7號啦，已經。
可能因為今日嘅嘉賓關係，所以影響咗我。
今日嘅嘉賓
影響我哋磁場啊。
係啦，咁啊越夜越心慌啦。嗱，今日咧喺直播室裏邊咧就有我 Peter， 亦都有三妹，亦都有 Albert。但係
仲有一位久別重逢嘅仁兄啦。
冇錯，大家好啊！今日就係我 LJ 啊，
係啦 ，LJ 終於翻嚟啦。
係啦，咁啊，大家好啦，打個招呼先啦。第一次喺越夜越心慌同大家見面。咦，今日我一上嚟就有啲勁人物上嚟添啦嚇。
使乜講？我有做功課。
係啦，咁啊非常之開心啦嚇。咁啊，同大家介紹一下呢位勁人先啦。我哋今晚好唔好啊？
係啦。
好啊，咁啊坐喺我身邊呢位咧，佢個名咧就叫做 Bro Perkins。Hi Bro, do you mind telling us, say hi to our audience?
Thank you for having me here. It's really nice to be here tonight.
Great. 嗱，阿 Bro 咧，佢咁 Bro Perkins 其實係一個咩人咧？咁啊，好多人咧都想知道呢樣嘢嘅喎。咁啊，如果你喺 YouTube 裏邊，你可以揾到關於 Bro Perkins 嘅喎，係咪咧，各位？
係啦，咁其實咧，大家有陣時即係大家未知啊。咁其實 Bro 阿 Bro 啦，我哋叫佢做係啦。咁就其實大家咧可以喺 YouTube 咧，曾經咧佢都上過呢一邊多倫多嘅 CCTV 嘅 Much Music 噶。咁如果大家上 YouTube 咧，可以 search Bro Perkins 呢個名啦，係BROUGH。跟住 PERKINS， 咁喺上面咧，大家都可以揾到佢嘅資料同埋嗰個嘅訪問嘅。
咁咁講咗咁耐啦，究竟呢位仁兄係做乜嘢嘅先？最緊要咁做訪問，明星都可以做訪問嘅喎。
係啦，咁點解我哋會揾到佢咧？咁其實咧就係曾經一位咧喺潘兆聰嘅後援會嘅會員嚟嘅，咁佢就俾咗一個 message 我，咁佢就話：原來喺多倫多咧有一個通靈師咧，佢覺得好準。咁而且咧，佢係一個幾出名，曾經亦都上過電視嘅，咁就係阿 Brooke 啦。咁然後咧，我哋之後就 contact 咗佢。咁其實咧，佢就話原來佢有一種好特別嘅能力，又可以話到俾你聽啊，你嘅將來啊，同埋另外一個能力咧，佢就可以話通靈咁樣話嘅。係啦，咁我哋今晚咧當然啦，好開心就請到佢啦。咁亦都喺呢度咧都要多謝翻阿 Cat 先嘅後援會呢位會員。如果今晚
不如咁啦，係啦，同時間呼籲阿 Cat 啦。
係啦，如果你今晚咧有時間又聽緊即係我哋越夜越心慌嘅話咧，我哋都歡迎即係你今晚咧可以打電話上嚟同我哋分享一下。當你咧去阿 Bro 嗰度咧，即係譬如接受一個呢個即係譬如係啦，即係譬如你幫襯緊佢嘅時候咁樣，究竟佢俾咗一個咩感覺你咧，令到即係你要推薦俾我哋越夜心慌今日做呢個訪問咁樣嘅？係
啦，冇錯。咁啊，其實依家嗱，我哋所知嘅外國朋友啦，好多時咧都係會做一個叫做medium 啦，medium 嘅意思其實咧即係可以話咧，從一個中介人啦，
冇錯，
即係正所謂中介人係咩中介人咧？中介人嘅意思即係同呢個靈體咧，或者我哋唔知嘅世界咧，好一個中間嘅媒體咁樣啦，就可以pass 到啲message 俾我哋嘅。咁咧嗱，據我所知咧，就其實咧就有啲朋友咧就係天生嘅，有啲朋友咧就嗱，我哋睇過本書係關於呢個 medium 嘅，咁有啲朋友咧就話係可以練翻嚟嘅。咁啊，不如咁樣啦，嗱，今日咧 Peter 喺度咧。咁一個大學生咁有咩好用？做好做啦，做翻譯㗎啦。咁我哋今日咧就盡量盡情咁訪問嗱。首先我呼籲一下先，阿 Brooke 咧就應承咗我嘅。今日咧其實如果有朋友想打電話嚟咧，佢可以嘗試經過電話同你做一個 section。係啦。咁佢話可以 try 下，因為其實咧佢都未試過，因為佢通常咧都係面對面嘅。佢哋話面對面嗰個 pick up 到嗰啲 message 咧會比較強啲嘅。咁希望咧，如果今晚都可以嘗試下，如果有朋友有聽眾啊，有興趣都打上嚟嘅話咧，佢係可以同你即時可以做一個 section 嘅。
即係我哋叫俗稱嘅感應啦。
如果你唔打嚟咧，你係益咗我哋啦。
冇錯，
咁我哋做
啦。
好啦，咁事不宜遲啦。我哋今日呢2個鐘頭嘅電話全部開放啦，好唔好？
當然啦，先講個電話號碼先啦，好唔好？
好啊。
咁就係4164962883嘅。咁另外同時間咧都要講一講我哋嘅主題贊助杯中物咧，現時間咧喺嗰度咧現場都已經播放緊我哋嘅節目啦。咁如果飲緊珍珠奶茶嘅你啊，平時可能唔敢聽鬼故嘅可能，但係今日你都有福啦。如果你覺得飲緊珍珠奶茶，你亦都想揾阿 Brooke 咧問一啲嘅問題嘅話，你亦都可以打上嚟嘅。同時間你亦都可以講一啲分享翻你嘅經歷啦。今晚最精彩嗰位朋友咧，俾我哋由 選中嘅咧，亦都可以得到咧杯中物送出1個月嘅免費任飲，咁就每日1杯㗎噃。
冇錯啦，咁啊其實嗰個原來我走咗之後個禮物繼續㗎嘛。
未完嘅。
好，咁嗱咁啊，首先咧就聽電話之前咧，或者未有人打電話之前，我哋梗係要訪問阿 Brooke 先。
係啊，介紹下佢啦。
嗱咁首先就我哋頭先講咗佢係一個靈媒啦嚇，咁啊阿 Brooke 好後生嘅啫，係23歲嘅啫嚇，咁啊原來咧，不如我哋訪問佢幾時知道佢自己有呢個能力，同埋咧係究竟佢係天生啊定係練翻嚟嘅？不如嚟啊！
係啦。
Bro, so since when did you know about your psychic ability?
Yeah, well, that's a good question, actually. I didn't initially find out about it. My family knew about it before I did because when I was growing up, as a 5-year-old, I was seeing my grandfather on my mother's side appear to me in my bedroom at night, and he would be able to communicate to me just like a real person. So I didn't really know the difference between life and death, and of course, when I told my parents about this, they would tell me, your grandfather's gone. He isn't even alive anymore. And I wouldn't understand that. He didn't die in the house, by the way. He died in another province altogether. He lived out east in Newfoundland, Canada, and we were in Montreal at the time. But I think he had a strong enough connection to my mother that he would communicate through me.
OK， 咁阿 Bro 咧就頭先同我哋解釋佢啊，啱啱其實佢細個嗰陣時候，佢點樣知道佢有呢一個能力咧？原來就係話想喺佢屋企裏邊咧，咁
喺5歲嘅時候，
5歲嘅時候係啦，咁啊
佢爺爺就過咗身啦，咁但係咧佢就亦都呢個佢爺爺過咗身就其實佢唔知嘅，係啦，咁就但係有一日咧佢見到個爺爺同佢媽媽出現咗，即係佢爺爺喺佢媽媽側邊出現咗，咁佢就同佢媽媽講翻，咁佢媽媽先話俾佢聽，你爺爺已經唔喺度噶啦，咁
冇錯啦，
係咯。而且佢爺爺仲要唔係同佢住得好近嘅喎，
係啊。
咁好啦，不如我哋問下 Bro， 究竟佢用佢呢一個 ability 大個咗之後，會係點樣去帶住佢？例如話，究竟係幫人啦，定還是點啊？So this ability that you have, is it actually helping people more on that aspect? Is that correct?
Yes. Well, I'm primarily a medium, which means when people come to me, they usually come to me when they've lost someone who's close to them, in the hopes that I'll make contact with them. Mind you, they don't tell me that they've lost someone when they make an appointment with me, and they don't tell me who they've lost. That's my job to tell them.
Oh, so it's so amazing. Right? It's like somebody locked the door and you know who is it.
That's right.
Yeah.
咁啊，頭先阿 Bro 就解釋俾我哋聽啦。咁佢呢一個嘅能力係用嚟幫人。係啊。咁因為個問題就話佢話，如果譬如因為佢而家已經係呢個作為一個生意去咁去做啦。係啦。咁但係又話佢話，如果啲客嚟揾佢嘅話咧，基本上你唔需要話俾佢聽你叫乜嘢名，佢亦都已經知道就感應到你嚟呢個 預知咗咯。
預知咗啦，係啊。
好啦，咁啊電話旁邊有2位嘅聽眾喎，係咪咧？2
位係咪啊？
係啊，咁啊第一位我哋接咗第一位朋友入嚟先啦，好唔好啊？咁啊第一位朋友咧就係阿呂太啊，你睇下嗱，我接佢入嚟先嚇。
好。
話阿 Rob 嗰啲呢個能力咧，比我哋即係知道認知咗佢仲要高，因為佢都唔需要話個客打電話去做咗呢個預約先，你嚟到敲門我都知道你係邊個。係啦，
但係咧有一樣嘢一定要知道就係話，因為經過電話啦，有可能性就係話。唔得，同埋個
準確率未必有咁高啦，因為係面對面係啦。
因為其實阿 Brooke 咧做慣咧都係面對面嘅。
好，
咁我哋第一個電話呢個呂太，呂太喺咪度
？Hello， 呂太你好。
好嗱，呂太咧嘅英文咧就唔係咁好，佢頭先同我哋講，咁咧就話咧就可以請阿 Peter 咧幫佢翻譯一下㗎嚇。好，咁啊，呂太你有咩問題可以問阿 Brooke 㗎嚇？
係，我就想問一問啊，我媽媽死咗成3年㗎啦，但係我晚都仲係發夢。佢翻嚟同我講好多嘢㗎。
咁你所講嘅嘢係邊一方面咧？係即係
好似係好日常生活嘅嘢啊。
即係問候噓寒問暖。
唔係㗎，係好多時好似譬如佢會做翻生前，但係佢從來冇做過嘅嘢㗎。
哦，咁樣啊！
但係佢會唔會話要求你幫佢做啲乜嘢啊，或者各樣咧？因為又冇㗎，但係只不過搭翻嚟探你啊，同你呢個寒暄啊咁樣。生
活咁樣又做翻啲嘢，譬如佢著衫啊。唔同啊，咁嗰啲嘢咧，咁即係好奇怪。好
嗱，咁我請阿 Peter 幫你問一問先，因為我嘅電話線好忙嚇。阿 Peter，不如你快啲同佢講先。
係啦，我頭先就同阿 Bro 講咗啦。咁basically what happened was Mrs. Lee's mom basically passed away 3 years ago, and what happened is she is Mrs. Lee still dreaming about her mom.
A lot,
daily, almost daily. Yeah.
And it's not of any other things. It's just coming back and visit.
I feel that Mrs. Lee,
Liu,
sorry, I feel that both her parents are gone, and I feel that her mother may have passed of old age, but her heart failed because there might have been a pneumonia or a fluid filling up with the lungs because of congestive heart failure.
Okay.
Just old age, and her mother saw the food or the plate. I don't understand why I see this, but apparently there's a message about her mother seeing something about the plate or the food that she left for her.
Okay.
That's very strange.
All right.
I've never seen that before.
Okay. 阿 Peter， 你解釋翻俾阿女太聽先嗱。咁啊，頭先阿 Brooke 講咧就話佢見到有少少嘅 message 嘅。咁第一樣嘢咧，佢話你應該雙親都過咗世嘅喎，係咪？
女太
喺咪度啊？
係喺度。
係，佢話你雙親都已經唔喺度嘅咯噃，係咪啊？
唔係啊。
咁咧，佢就話睇到你媽咪咧，應該係個心或者係個肺有呢個肺炎或者係肺積水嘅問題喺度。
係啊。
係咪啊？
係啊。
OK， 咁啊嗱，咁而家阿 Brooke 咧
，because I'm psychic。
因為佢話佢係通靈。
嗱，而家阿 Brooke 咧就話啦，佢話咧就唔知點解見到有兩樣嘢，一樣嘢咧有一隻碟。同埋有啲食物喺度，佢唔係好明。
Tell her if you mind that her mother loves her very much, that she misses the phone calls because they didn't live terribly close and they used to speak on the phone, and that she'll wake up at 3:25 in the morning a.m. Unexpectedly, constantly. She hasn't been able to sleep very well, and tell Mrs. Liu not to worry about her son, please.
咁啊嗱，仲有一樣嘢嘅。因為佢就話咧，阿 Brooke 同你講咧，就話其實你以前你同你媽媽應該唔係住得好近，咁咧經常要通過電話嚟聯絡嘅。咁佢話你媽咪咧就應該話咧，佢係好掛住成日同你傾電話嘅時刻嘅，啱唔啱啊，女太？
佢同我一齊住㗎。
嚇，同你一齊住㗎？
係啊，但係
嗱，呢樣有少少出入啦。
我奇怪一個鐘，我個鐘咧每一
3:25，
停喺2:27嘅。
冬令時間啊。
係啊，冇錯啦。因為頭先阿 Brooke 都啱啱講咗咧，佢話3點幾嘅時候咧，成日都會
2:20幾㗎，
都會起身嘅喎嚇。
係啊。
係咁啊！佢話仲有一樣嘢，最後咧，佢話叫你唔好擔心個仔喎。
我個仔啊！
唔好太擔心你個仔仔喎。
Is that Mrs. Liu's son？
我有兩個仔啊。
我而家問緊阿 Brooke 嚇，我幫你問清楚少少嚇。嗱，因為佢哋喺度講，因為阿 Brooke 要啲時間去 sense 到你哋嘅問題㗎嚇。咁所以咧，同埋我哋要翻譯咧，有少少時間嘅參誤啦。
其實咧，正話咧講到阿 Brooke feel 到佢話有隻碟同個食物唔明咧，會唔會係啲祭品
？OK，
係嗱，有少少解釋出嚟啦，係咪 Peter？
阿 Brooke 頭先就同我講話，阿女太係每逢4月嗰陣時候，咪有啲大日子咧對你嚟講？
冇。
4月
冇。
No。
Keep it with her。
OK， 咁如果係嘅話，你記住，你睇下今年嘅4月可能會有啲嘢
特別發生，令到你有啲比較深刻啲嘅記憶啦。
係啦，
好啦，咁啊，女太，因為我哋時間關係咧，就對唔住啦，同你做住咁耐先，因為我哋電話好多啊嚇。咁啊，唔該晒。咁啊，我哋可以接聽下一個電話先。之前咧，我哋要呼籲下嗱，今晚咧，因為我電話真係爆晒啊。
係咪啊？
咁所以有啲時間真係聽唔到啲朋友嘅電話咧，你唔好介意。咁啊，繼續打電話入嚟。
係啊。
係啊，咁啊 Brooke 咧就會盡量嚇，佢會盡量咧就會咧幫你解答你嘅問題嘅嚇。咁大家記住啊，因為喺電話關係咧，可能會有少少差誤㗎。
係啦，可能同你之間有少少出入㗎嚇。
好，咁我哋再聽電話，我哋再聽下一位係 Chris， 佢係講英文嘅。
Chris 之前咧，Brooke 咧話咧，阿女太，你如果係嘅話，留意下今晚你3點半會起身。
OK， 咁啊，女太你記得啦嚇，我哋有後記啊 PS 記住嚇，今晚3點半你可能會起身㗎嚇。
如果係嘅話，下個禮拜話翻俾我哋聽。
OK，咁而家 Chris 聽下 Chris 電話先嚇。
Hello Chris。Hello
Chris。
你好。
You can ask him in English directly, so we don't have to interpret.
我咧就係想問下，會唔會攞到嗰個攞翻我個 ability of 陰陽眼？So my question is that will I able to get my ability back of seeing spiritual stuff?
Bro, what do you think?
But Chris 我想問你咧。
Actually, I'm not seeing too much at the moment. And this happens sometimes too, Chris. As you know, even someone like me who does this for a living and who was born this way, even we might get a blank sometime. But what I can say to you is that when your life isn't hectic and you're not filled with stress and pressure, you can focus more on what's happening on the inside of you. than what's going on the outside. And it's much like when the sun's up in the day, we're all focused, busy, but at nighttime might be when you think more and when you focus more on yourself because the sun's out of the way and the stars can come out and you can see farther into the cosmos. So really the answer is that sometimes it goes, sometimes it fades. We all have bad days with this. But the best thing you can do is just meditate and work with it. And if you have interest in it, read books about it. Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
OK，
咁或者阿 Peter 都解釋一下啦。
係啦，咁啊，等我問一問 Chris 一個問題先好唔好啊？Chris 啊，你喺咪喺度啊？
喺度。
你係有陰陽眼係幾時開始？係你出世啊定點樣？
好細個啦。
好細個㗎，係咪啊？
我冇乜印象，不過我係見得到嘅以前。
OK， 咁得啦，咁你記得啦。頭先啊 Peter 解釋一下先嚇。
係啦，咁啊 Chris Bro 就basically 話俾你聽咧，如果因為每個人我係其實朝頭早嗰陣時候嘅生活都非常之繁忙啦，咁啊 Chris Bro 咧就提議你，如果係話夜晚嗰陣時候咧，就嘗試下留喺屋企自己靜坐一下，嘗試反思下自己內在嘅一啲重要少少嘅，例如話 value 啊等等嘅嘢。咁然之後可以咁樣就會淨化自己心情啦。
OK， 咁啊多謝晒 Chris 嘅電話。好，我哋繼續要聽第一人嘅電話啦嚇。
跟住第三，仲有下一位係咪？
係下一位係劉太㗎。
劉太係咪啊 ？Hello， 劉太你好。
好啊，
你好，你有咩問題想問啊？
咁樣，咁咧我爸爸咧就喺香港嘅，咁但係佢身體就唔係幾好，咁啊成日出入醫院嘅。咁我想問一問咧，我父母其實佢個即係個身體狀況咧，喺未來一段時間會唔會好轉或者會穩定咧
？Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay, bro, this is Mrs. Lau by the phone, and what happened is her dad is actually always in and out from the hospital and basically health problems, and she's trying to see if her parents, in the upcoming days will be getting better or not.
It's all, for him, it's both his bowels and his heart. The latest is they're worried about his angial issues, angiogram and a heart problem, but he's had liver and colon in the past. But the latest is the heart. Tell her he's fine. As we say in Canada, only the good die young.
OK。
咁啊，劉太 Bro 咧頭先就話啦，係咪你爹哋之前咧係有佢呢個liver， 即係個肝問題啦，亦都有腸嘅問題啦。咁啊，最近呢個咧就係一個心臟嘅問題，係咪咧？
唔係喎。
係比較
咩問題啊？
佢個肺有事。
佢肺問係啦。
It's the lung.
It's about the lung.
Yeah, because latest has been the heart and
the alveoli,
the angial, which is all connected to
the breathing organs.
Not so much as the arteries. I'm sorry. Yeah, but he may have a tumor on the left side, but that's okay because I feel this is not going to affect him majorly. Her parents will continue to chug along, as we say.
OK， 咁阿 Bro 就話咧，你爹哋媽咪都應該會
唔需要太擔心啦，係啊，可能未來一段日子都覺得佢哋唔會有太大問題啦。
係啦，
係啦。
好，咁啊，多謝晒。
我仲有一樣嘢咧，喺個心嗰度我唔敢問嘅。
你咁你問啦。
因為咧，曾經有一啲香港嘅有嗰個又係psychic嘅朋友話俾我聽，屋企有嘢。
有嘢
，OK，咁佢仲係唔知一個邊，咁我其實我唔想知。
其實唔係，劉太你自己有冇感覺先？
我有聽到某啲聲，但係我睇唔到。
但係嗱，你正話就話你唔係好想知啊，咁你而家想唔想知？
你想知先
係啦。
我其實咧，真係我都心都好矛盾嘅。咁而家咁嘅機會，我梗係有想。
OK，係啦，咁啊 Peter 又幫佢問下啦。
Okay, bro, what happened is Mrs. Lau used to listen in on someone tell her from another psychic that telling her that there's something within her house.
In Hong Kong.
In Hong Kong. And
in
Canada. And Mrs. Lau is telling us that she is only hearing things not often, but it's occasional.
On and off.
Okay, so it's on and off, but it's not often, and she has never seen any of those.
Would you ask her if this individual was a woman who told her to put something near the front door or near the steps, and that you could purchase it from her or something to help get rid of this? Would you ask for that for me?
劉太啊，你之前睇嘅呢個所謂嘅 psychic 咧喺香港咧，佢係咪曾經同你講要喺你屋企前邊同埋你屋企後邊嗰道門就要擺一啲嘢，而可以先至依嚿嘢就可以走？咁而依啲擺嘅嘢嗰件物品咧係喺依個女人嗰度買嘅。
佢有提議過買某一啲嘢。
係咪要同佢買啊？
我冇買過，不過我朋友另外俾咗某一啲
中式嘅
風水擺設嗰啲。
咁樣啦，係啦。
Her friend basically gave her something else
instead
of the original psychic.
Yeah, but the woman did suggest to her to buy it.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Don't listen. Don't buy anything. There's nothing wrong with your house. There's nothing haunting the house. It's a sham.
你間屋好好，冇問題。
係啦，太太啊，而家阿包同你講咧，你間屋咧非常之乾淨啊。
係啊，
唔使擔心。
所以唔使信佢。
就唔好信其他嗰啲要你買嘢嗰啲人啊嚇。OK，咁你放心啦。咁啊，劉太
可以盡量又聽下我哋節目啦，安心咁樣。
係咧，瞓翻覺好㗎啦，劉太嚇。多謝你電話。
問題好啦，
拜拜。咁我哋仲有電話嘅嚇。
好啊，
好。咁我哋下一位咧就係應該係太多人啦 ，Wendy 啊
，Wendy，OK，Wendy
is next。
Hello Wendy，
係。
Hello Wendy，
你好。
你好。
係，咁啊 Wendy 有咩問題咧？
或者有冇啲咩同我哋分享啊嘛？
我住個環境好適唔適合我？
適唔適合
你介唔介意話俾我哋聽你個居住環境係點先？
唔係
你而家住邊度？
你覺得係咪有問題先第一樣嘢？
我想佢話俾我聽有冇問題。
Okay. Wendy's trying to ask if her bedroom or her house basically has anything wrong, or is it fitting for her to live in?
Wendy is a person who is very conscious about her space in the sense that she'll be interested in feng shui. She'll be interested in these things to help her relationship life get better. Tell her that because life has a plan and a fate, she doesn't have to work. She doesn't have to work hard to make her love life better. Tell her the right day at the right time is when you're going to meet someone and when things are going to work out better for you. And you can't screw that up. You can't. No one deserves love. We get it when we're meant to, and she can just relax.
So basically, she's worried about her love life.
Yes, I think so.
係啦 ，Wendy， 你咪一個喺
Wendy 聽唔聽到
？Actually, I want to know about my health.
Health? Okay. I don't pick up anything about health. I just pick up things about the personal life getting much better for you, but I don't pick up anything about health, no.
So you mean I stay in the same place will be good for me, or I'm supposed to move away?
That's the thing. Usually if a person comes to me for a full-on reading, I can pick up many things, but because we have time constraints here, I'm not able to see everything. I got a very vague general impression about personal life and feeling that you have to do it all on your own, self-supportive, that you don't have a lot of people around you to help you, oftentimes that you, almost like when I see your bedroom, I see you there alone. And I don't know what that vision means. I try to interpret it using logic. Maybe it means that you're single or you're not married, or maybe it means that you're feeling something in terms of supporting yourself, but I feel that things are going to get better for you. I did not see anything about health, though. I'm sorry.
Okay. What you mean is, what you're talking about is right, say I'm single. But in the meantime, will you see that in between this year, will I move out?
Will you move? Where do you live? What city right now?
Toronto. Because somebody
You're not
say
near
that
Bathurst or anything, are
I'll
you?
be moving out in between this year.
Wendy，你咪會唔會係住喺大約喺 Bathurst 嗰附近啊？頭先
No.
Not Bathurst.
Okay, well maybe that means you might go near Bathurst, but I couldn't say that for sure. But perhaps you can contact me directly through the station or something, and we can go into that more in depth in a reading. Because like I can't always get what people hope for, even in a reading, we can't always hope to have
100% accuracy.
Yeah, Wendy, keep in mind that
we're talk to you directly, maybe from my side.
因為佢阿 Wendy 啊，因為佢頭先就係佢有個 impression， 有陣時咧佢就要喺個腦入邊都要翻譯翻出嚟嘅。咁佢就係覺得你係比較孤單啦，同埋即係一個人 support 自己嘅人啦嚇。咁佢就覺得你個 health 係冇乜問題嘅第一樣嘢。咁你話 move 唔 move out 咧，佢就可能即係喺電話度咧，真係答唔到你，因為有陣時咧
電話，
因為始終都有個隔膜咗喺度嚇。咁所以咧，佢話如果你真係有興趣再知深少少咧，嗱，你可以打話俾我哋嘅，我哋有晒阿 Pro 嘅卡片喺度㗎。好唔好啊？咁啊，希望答到呢個問題啊 ，Wendy 嚇。咁啊，多謝晒你電話先啦。 係，喂，
拜拜，
拜拜，
拜拜。
我而家先 realize 咗你有咁多 Toronto 嘅人嘅。
咁其實咧即係一路電話咧就未有字，咁我哋其實咧一路都冇問過好多好詳細究竟 book 仲有啲，不如我哋再問多少少啦，好唔好啊？好啦，咁啊頭先我哋問開係咩嘢㗎？就話佢幾時知道啦？我哋未解釋到俾佢未用中文講翻出嚟嘅。咁啊頭先佢話因為佢5歲嗰陣時已經開始見到自己個阿爸阿爺啊出現，咁但係嗰陣時佢就唔知係人嘅鬼啦。咁當其時佢同佢爹哋同媽咪講翻，先知道原來即係爺爺已經過咗身㗎啦。係啦，咁佢先開始知道自己係可以見到呢啲所謂嘅靈體。好啦，咁啊不如 Peter 又問下佢啦。見到靈體之後，你點樣先開始？使唔使話點樣去即係控制你自己個 power， 或者係點樣學識點樣利用呢個
power？After maybe looking or seeing an entity, how would you control your own ability to help them out or helping other people out? How would you do that?
You mean in terms of communicating with spirits?
Yes.
Like a ghost, yeah.
Or interpretation, basically.
Or interpretation.
Yes.
Well, if you're talking about seeing a spirit who you feel may be a loved one, oftentimes they don't need help. They're coming back more for you. Mm-hmm. If you're talking about seeing a stranger who we would call a ghost, you could potentially try to let them know that you're aware of their presence. Mm-hmm. Tell them that they have passed on, that you're alive and they're passed on, and that whatever they need to accomplish, they should try to do so that they can be with their family in the afterlife.
OK， 我諗阿 Bro 想帶俾我哋嘅永遠就係放心啊！
冇錯，因為佢話如果啲親人翻嚟揾你嘅話，基本上佢哋都係希望係探你嗰個形式咯，係啊，佢又唔會話呢個走翻嚟嚇你啊，或者嗰樣嘢，只不過佢帶個信息俾你就話俾你聽，我已經好好啦，你哋唔需要掛心啦，嗰樣嘢嗰啲
係啦。咁啊，我想問阿 Bro 一樣嘢就係話，佢之前佢曾經都試過喺一啲唔知道嘅情況之下啦，就去做一啲靈探等等嘅。Bro, you were telling us beforehand how you went to is it Caledon or another town in Ontario that you didn't know beforehand, and you went with another producer. Is that correct?
That's right, to the town of Goderich.
Goderich, and do you mind telling us about the story?
Sure. I was asked to come and investigate a home in Goderich, which I hadn't been to before, and I have some friends who at the time were working on Much Music Canada, and they asked if they could come along with cameras, and one of the producers who was skeptical, who was putting together the show, sort of filmed me through the whole process. We got there and nothing much happened. I was just walking through saying that I see a 4-year-old girl named Gracie. I couldn't get her last name. I saw an L like Lawrence or Laurier, I remember saying.
Right.
And he, the producer that is, went and found a death certificate during the filming of the show, and it showed that a 4-year-old girl had died on that property in the time frame that I specified, and her name was Gracie Dark Lawrence. And he showed that on camera, and that was a television show on Much Music in 2003 called Much About Ghosts.
Much About Ghosts.
Yeah,
it's so amazing. They show you the death certificate. Huh?
Well, and if you're someone who can see something, you should be able to have it validated. I don't believe in just telling people things they don't know.
Okay, that's good. Yeah.
好，咁啊頭先阿 Bro 咧就話俾我哋聽啦，咁啊有一次啦，咁佢就跟啲朋友去一個城鎮就叫做 Goderich 嘅，咁佢之前咧就唔知道佢將會去邊度啦。冇錯。咁啊，其中一個原來呢個佢係跟一個 show 咁樣去嘅，咁呢個 show 咧就係 Much Music Canada 嚟嘅。
係啦 ，Much Music， 咁其中一個多倫多CCTV 嘅一個節目啦，係嘅一個 program 嚟嘅，係啊。咁啊去嗰陣時候咧，有其中一個咧就係個監製嘅，就唔信佢會有呢個咁嘅能力嘅喎。咁啊好啦，去到嗰陣時候咧，咁阿 Bro 自己就入去。一路感覺啦，咁啊人哋一路影住佢嘅，咁於是佢 pick up 咗一啲嘢，佢話感覺到一啲嘢就係有一個4歲到大嘅女仔就叫做 Gracie，但係咧佢就唔知佢嘅 last name， 佢又話大約一係就 L 字頭嘅，
可能係呢個 Laurier，
冇錯啦。咁啊，然之後咧，咁佢就嗰個監製咧，就於是揾到一張，即時揾到一張
完咗之後，即刻俾張死亡證佢睇。係啦，呢個女仔就係叫做 Lawrence， 唔係叫
Gracie
Lawrence， 係
啦。咁啊，嗰個女仔
係喺嗰度死嘅，
係啦。咁啊，所以如果你大家想知道關於呢一個節目嘅話咧，就係呢個 Much About Ghosts 啊。佢頭先阿 Bro 就同佢講，係啦。
好啦，咁啊，我哋講咗咁多口水啦，咁我哋都要休息一陣啦，嘉賓都攰啦。咁我哋休息翻嚟咧，我哋都另外都有啲電話要聽下嘅，咁好嘛？咁我哋去一去廣告先嚇。
翻嚟越夜越心慌嘅，咁啊，我哋仍然有直播室嘅，有我哋嘅通靈師啦。咁不如我哋介紹下我哋嘅主題贊助先咧。
咁啊，今日主題贊助當然有唔少得我哋杯中物啦。咁其實咧現場咧喺杯中物嗰度咧飲緊珍珠奶茶嘅你哋咧應該都聽到咁咧，現場都播放緊我哋嘅節目㗎啦。咁咧而家咧大家我哋嘅熱線亦都開放咗啦，係4164962883。咁今晚好開心啊！我哋都請到一位多倫多好比較著名嘅通靈師啦。咁上到嚟我哋節目咧，咁亦都可以幫大家解答問題。咁喺解答問題之餘咧，其實咧我都可以呼籲下大家，譬如好似你有啲特別嘅經歷啊，亦都可以上嚟同我哋分享啦。咁今晚分享得最精彩嘅朋友咧，當然亦都會得到我哋主題贊助杯中物啦，送出1個月嘅任飲㗎。咁就係每日1杯嘅。咁
今晚你要打電話咧，就要打得快啲啦，因為今晚電話線真係好爆，
真係好忙啊！我知道
今日我聽電話，大家所以我比較雞生鴨腳。
唔係喎，你今日第一晚翻嚟呢個越夜嘅心慌咧，可能啲聽眾中意同你傾電話喎。
同埋有一樣嘢咧，咁多位朋友打翻上嚟咧，都係顧住問問題咯，冇人分享佢啲經歷，冇人理過。所以嗰杯奶茶又係我哋飲啊。係啊。好啦，咁我哋接聽下一位電話先啦，好唔好啊？咁啊，下一位咧係阿關太嘅嚇。
關太
，Hello 關太。
Hello 關太。
關太喺咪度？
係關太喺咪度咧？
哦，關太收咗線，唔緊要，咁我哋聽第二位啲。
係啦，第二位。
關太可以再打返嚟啊。
係啦。
因為我哋而家按翻。
下一位係 Jenny 啊。
係 ，Hello Jenny。喂 Jenny。Hello Jenny。Hello， 一次兩次。
Jenny。
或者可能等咗一個廣告時間唔見晒。
咁咧，其實呢個時候咧，我想問下，
或者咁樣啦，我哋等多一陣間先，咁轉頭咧真係有電話，我哋再接過啦，係嘛
？I have a question, just like I just what I heard about is like when you were 5 years old, the first time you tell your parents that you told your parents that you see your grandfather, what did they say?
或者你講
Do they believe it?
英中文講
係啊，即係我想問阿 Brock 咧，就係話最早佢5歲嘅時候咧，佢同佢媽媽講話見到阿爺爺喺佢身邊咧，佢媽媽信唔信佢
？Well, thankfully, my parents are the kinds of people who don't just take things at face value. They're not easily convinced. My mother's a banker. My father's a truck driver.
Yeah.
And I think thanks to them, that's what's made me someone who is also so hardened to get proof of this. It's not enough for me just to guess something. I'd like to be able to be sure of something before I say it. And that's why I'll say no. So when I was able to tell my mother that my grandfather would put me to sleep by placing my face in his hand. He was 7 feet tall, very tall German man. So my whole head as a child would fit into his hand, and it would put me to sleep and rock me to sleep at night. My mother used to have him do that to her as a child, and she had never told me this. So that was proof to her, you see, and so they did believe me once I was able to tell them that.
咁啊 Peter 翻譯下俾我哋聽啊。
係啦 ，Bro 咧就話俾我哋聽，佢好幸運啦，佢爹哋媽咪咧都唔係一啲就咁話喺根據好表面嘅嘢就可以批判一個人嘅嘢。咁啊點解咧？因為咧話說原來 Bro 咧喺佢細個嗰陣時候就係佢嘅爺爺啊。就係原來將佢爺爺係7尺高嘅一個德國人喎，就將嗰隻手咧擺喺阿 Bro 個面上邊，咁然之後就暗佢瞓，仲喺度搖佢嗰張床。
咁但係呢樣嘢咧就佢媽媽從來都冇話過俾阿 Ruff 聽，但係呢樣嘢咧就佢爺爺佢一路細個暗佢媽媽瞓咧，都係呢個相同嘅動作，所以佢媽媽亦都好相信佢有呢個見到呢樣嘢咯，係啦。
咁啊，相信電話界已經有幾位聽眾咯，咁啊不如接佢入嚟先。
關太啦，
好，關太
，Hello 關太，
你好關太。聽唔聽到啊？我聽唔到啊！關太把聲。
關太，
喂，係關太。
關太，
我聽到個電話聲喎。
係咯，我聽到下電話聲啫。但係唔知係咪收咗線啦？
可能線路太多喎，今晚。
係咪啊？
你再嗌多幾下，關太喺咪度？關太。
關太，
佢又收咗線啦。
OK，緊要啦，係。
OK，照下一個入嚟先啦。
係啦，有冇下一位啊
？LJ 真係辛苦晒。
阿陳太啊。
Hello 陳太。Hello 陳太。
喂，陳太。
喂，
陳太。
謝聽到啫。
陳太喺咪度啊？陳太。
嗱咁啦，呢個時候咧，不如呢個因為有個聽眾咧，佢早2日 fax 咗嗰個佢有個少少嘢想問啊 ，fax 咗俾我哋，咁我就
fax 俾你啫，
唔好咁講啦。咁我哋暫時就唔好開名住啦。咁我話想呢個通過呢個阿 Ruff 睇佢可唔可以幫佢解釋下，係啦，因為佢就話 there's an audience fax some like she want to ask some question because she got 2 baby, one was 5 months. And the other one is like 3.5 months, but both of them they are passed away. But she's still fearing that the 2 baby is surrounding her.
It's kind of haunting them.
You're right.
Haunting her.
And she wants to know what happened to the next and what she got to do。
咁或者我哋中文再解釋下先啦。咁其實咧就有一位聽眾咧俾咗我哋張 fax， 咁就關於咧就係佢過去嘅時候咧曾經有2個BB 啦，咁一個就5個月大，咁另外一個咧就喺3個月肚裡面嘅時候咧都已經唔喺度啦。
但係佢就經常都感覺到佢話喺佢附近啦。
係啦，咁啊希望阿 Bro 可以即係都佢又希望我哋幫到佢啦。咁咁啱我哋今日請到阿 Bro 啦，咁希望阿 Bro 可以幫佢啦。Thanks, Bro.
Well, in this case, I have to say that I've never encountered a situation where the soul of an infant would be haunting or be upset even. What happens when we lose a baby is the soul returns to the afterlife or the astral plane, and usually your loved ones who have passed on prior would be taking care of it. This woman is haunted by her own guilt, not so much by the child or the spirit, and that I feel that her mother's side had trouble having children as well. That there was her grandmother on her mother's side may have miscarried actually 5 kids. There could be a family of there should have been 8 children.
Okay.
But there would be 3 alive.
OK 嗱咁啦，正話阿 Prof 就講到啦，就話應該就唔關嗰2個 BB 事嘅，因為佢就話佢自己就比較少接觸啲逝去咗嘅嬰兒嘅靈體嘅，咁佢就話主要都係出自於呢個媽媽嗰個內疚嘅心啦，因為2個 BB 都已經唔喺度啦，咁佢就同時間亦都話到咧，就話佢感覺到，因為佢個 grandma 即係佢個祖母嗰邊啦，其實應該係有8個小朋友嘅，咁但係其中有3個已經唔喺度啦，即係咁樣，咁但係話即係主要嚟講就話呢個聽眾唔需要太過擔心啦，因為佢都 feel 唔到話你個 BB真係話喺你身邊嗰度咯，係啊，咁我哋都解答咗呢個聽眾嘅問題先啦，係啊，
好，咁啊，其實仲有電話嚟啊，不過咧，我希望咧就聽得到啦嚇，我都聽到電話聲噶啦，咁啊，關太其實係單長途電話嚟嘅，
哎呀
，Hello 關太喺咪度？
關太，喂關太，
唉，點解會咁樣㗎？
係咯，
關太，
喂，關太唔緊要啊，我再試下下一個嚇，
好，
因為我哋打翻俾佢得唔得啊？
阿 Jenny 喺咪度？
Hello Jenny， 喂，係有聲啦，OK。Hello Jenny， 或者要大聲少少，係啦。
大聲少少啊 Jenny， 聽唔聽到啊？係聽唔聽到 Jenny？Jenny
較細個收音機，將個收音機較細佢。
係啦。
Hello。
係聽唔聽到啊
Jenny？Hello Jenny， 你要熄咗個收音機先啊，係啊，因為同咧你聽唔到我哋講嘢噶啦。
係 Jenny 喺咪度啊？
Jenny，
咦，就好似佢電話嗰度聽唔到我哋嘅聲，係咪 ？Jenny 係聽唔聽到咧？
誒，聽到。
Jenny 將個收音機較細咗先。
係，我熄咗啦。
OK， 好。
有咩想問啊？
我想問一問啦，我唔知道可唔可以知道我仔今年會入大學，佢應該係入邊一間大學嘅，會適合佢將來發展咧
？Okay.
或者係選邊科咧
？Jenny is asking if her son is actually can be admitted into university. And one thing is, which university would be most suitable for her son for his future? Which one is more prosperous for it?
This is one of those situations where I'm getting a vision and I don't know what it means. I see the figure 3. Now, the number 3 to me could mean that he's 3 years off from university.
Right.
Or there's 3 universities to choose from. I'm not sure exactly, but I feel that her son won't be far from home, so he'll probably be admitted into the university within the same city.
Okay.
He probably won't go too far from home. And I have to mention that there's a talent in this family on her husband's side. I'm not sure if she's with her husband anymore, though, but I feel that on her husband's side, there's musical gifts, but this is not something they do professionally. So her son may have a secret interest in music, or cousins of his on his father's side may be musical.
OK， 嗱咁嘅阿 Jenny 啊，咁啊 Bro 講兩樣嘢，第一樣嘢咧，咁佢就喺見到一個 vision， 咁佢見到個畫面就係3啊，個數字3，咁佢又諗緊啊，呢樣嘢可能就係關乎到一係就係你個仔仲有3年先入到大學啦，希望唔係啦，或者
係有3間大學可以選擇，
係啦，咁啊仲有一樣嘢就係佢話啦，依3間佢咧就見到你個仔應該就唔會離開屋企太遠嘅啫，所以應該佢揀嘅大學咧都係屋企附近。即係唔會去到冇離公咁遠，例如話 London 啊，讀 Western
都唔係好遠啫，咁樣都翻到嚟屋企嘅。
係啊，另外一樣嘢，佢又問啦，你個仔咧係咪爹哋嗰邊係咪有啲音樂少少嘅才華咧？
係，即係似爹哋嗰邊啊？
係啊，
唔係佢問即係爹哋嗰邊。
爹哋嗰邊應該麻麻地。
但係即係佢就話頭先就唔，佢話佢唔 sure 你係咪仲係一齊啦嚇。第一樣嘢，第二樣嘢咧就呢個 talent 應該係爹哋嗰邊嘅承繼翻嚟嘅。咁咪可能你個仔亦都有少少啲天分嘅噃。
咁我睇下。
但係佢係收埋嘅喎。
係啦。
收埋喎呢樣嘢。
Jenny 阿 Bro 仲有啲嘢講，你等陣嚇。
Now, Jenny, this is in no way meant to frighten or anything, but as you get older, you will find that as you get mammograms done, you will find a cyst, but it will not be cancerous, and that if that time comes that you're concerned about this in your left side, the upper left side of your chest, please remember that I said it won't be cancerous, but you'll still get this checked out by doctors, and you'll be frightened by it. But don't worry at the time.
Do you know how long later on? Maybe 40s?
Maybe a few years from now. I can't really get it.
Okay.
No. But it's a significant thing in her life because she's always been healthy. But her mother's side has breast cancer in it.
Okay.
嗱，你解釋先啦。
Jenny，你媽咪嗰邊係咪有曾經試過有乳癌
嘅？係啦。
佢有個嗰啲係叫良性瘤。
OK， 良性嘅瘤。喂 ，Jenny， 嗱，佢又話啦，頭先阿 Bro 講咧，
提醒啦，
提醒你啦，嗱嚇，你或者過幾年或者你即係
照嗰啲掃描，
要多啲去照下你嘅左邊嘅上半胸啊。
佢嘅意
係咪啊？
係啦，阿 Bro 就話啦，
你唔係瘤，唔係 cancer 嚟嘅，
係啦，唔係癌，但係咧，佢醫生就會幫你去睇，但係呢個唔係癌嚟嘅，所以就唔使擔心
啦，係啦，
但係你要 keep 住 check 咯。
但係會有啲嘢咯喺左邊，但係就唔係癌嚟嘅，
好冇啊？
咁啊，意思係即係個胸嗰度。
響住左邊個胸上胸咧，
上胸咯。
咁你 check 一 check 啊 check 埋兩邊嘅啦，係咪先？唔好淨係 check 一 check 單面噶嘛，係嘛？咁記得 check 下啦嚇。OK， 咁好啊，多謝啊 Jenny，Jenny 電話好啦，咁啊，我哋嘅有心人啊，關太啊喺隔離啊，希望聽到關太電話啦。
係啦，我都希望聽到佢電話。
關太，
好似聽到。
好啦，唔好意
思，真係好啦。
因為關太係打緊長途電話嚟㗎嚇，關太你喺邊度打嚟㗎 ？Barry，都唔係好遠啫咁樣。好 ，anyway， 咁你有咩問題？好。
我想問下嗰位大師，我屋企有冇嘢啫嘛
？OK， 冇嘢，係咪即係你所指係污糟嘢係咪？
Is there anything spiritual within Mrs. Ground's house, or is there any entity that you can foresee right now?
Her mother visits her.
你媽咪嚟探你喎，
係喎，
你媽咪嚟探你喎。
我媽咪，佢係咪會stay好耐，抑或係會走啊
？Will she leave or just come visit or
just a visitor, not a ghost? She's not stuck. She visits because she loves her.
Okay.
They show me. I see something about beautiful flowers, and I think that this particular caller's husband and family may have had a family business. In the past, in her family, there's been doctors. So I don't know if her dad was a doctor or someone else in the medical profession. But where her husband is, it's more of a business type person. But I think that her mother comes through and visits her and lets her know that she loves her and just likes to see how she's doing.
OK， 嗱，關太，你丈夫嗰邊咧係咪從事生意㗎？
唔係打工嘅啫。
哦，打工嘅。
Basically an employee more than an owner from her husband's side.
咁你自己屋企嗰邊係咪係醫生嘅嚟嘅咧？係咪醫學世界？
係醫生。
哦 ，OK。
咁都係佢先生嗰邊啦，佢老爺啊嘛，
係啦，都係先生嗰邊啦。
咁啊，關太，咁啊 Bro 就話啦，其實基本上你媽咪翻嚟探你嘅啫。咁佢又話佢見到就係有啲好靚嘅花，
係啦。
係咪？
我成咗我爸爸媽媽嘛。
你咩話？
我安咗我父母嗰張相喺度嘛。
哦，所以你會俾啲花佢哋。
我未結婚啊嘛。
但係你係咪成日擺花？
係啊。
OK。
即係有時有啲就真花啦，平時就啲。
因為阿 Brooke 就喺個腦嗰度見到花。
膠花係啦。
即係因為對佢嚟講，佢唔知點解嘅。
係啊。其實佢主要都係話翻嚟探你啦，係啊。
最要佢話俾你聽，佢好愛你啦。佢真係表示關心。
我想問下我媽嗰陣喺屋企好唔好啊？
我諗呢樣嘢，我問問 Bro 啦，即係如果媽咪去探佢，係咪一件好事或者唔好？應該唔係壞事嚟嘅，不過問下 Bro 咧。
Bro, is it a good thing that Mrs. Kwan's mom is visiting her?
Yeah, she would only visit because she cares. She doesn't visit because she's stuck or she wants her to know anything. It's just because if you miss someone and you love someone, you want to come back and see them.
即係 it won't do any damage, right?
It's not an indication that Mrs. Kwan is in problem.
No.
Okay.
No. But the number 2 comes up to me, so I don't know if her mother passed away in February or if the
2 years ago. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. 關太啊，頭先佢就話啦，咁你媽咪嚟探你咧，只係表示關心，唔會影響到你屋企嘅。 咁第一樣嘢就絕對放心嘅。第二樣嘢咧就話，不過話咧突然間咧佢個腦咧就浮現一個2字嘅 number 喺度，咁又唔知係咩關係咧，對佢嚟講冇意思嘅。佢話可能係咪2年，即係可能過咗身2年，或者2月過身或者點樣咧？
係啦，正月初4。
OK， 咁但係佢有個2字啦，唔知係咪？
佢過咗身好耐啦。
係咪？但係佢有個2字啊，唔知係咪你有
個正月好多時都係2月嘅。
係咯，咁可能係唔知你同你媽咪嘅一個有啲密碼咁樣啦。
可以問多個問題，我幾時結婚咧？
邊個啊？
我個女。
OK，你個女。
When will her daughter get married? Do you see that?
Not as soon as she'd like, no.
唔係好似你所想象之中咁快喎。
唔係你，冇你預期咁早啊！
快飲到杯女仔茶，
等多一陣可能要講。
後生仔女啲嘢唔好擔心啦，好啊，關太。
The next question, when will my daughter move out?
你係咪想問佢個女幾時想搬走啊？
我女唔係，我女喺多倫多住嘅。
OK，
係
即係已經唔好同你住啦。
係。
哦，OK。Anyway 啦，咁唔好咁擔心啦嚇，關太。
麻煩曬個。
好多謝你嘅電話。
好唔該晒，
拜拜。咁我哋繼續聽電話㗎嚇。
我哋咁多聽眾啊！
我哋咁多，連 Barry 咁遠都
係啦。
何太啊？
何太。
何太。
Hello， 何太。
Hello，你好。
你好。
何太你好。
有咩問題想問我哋啊？
我想問下事業啫，自己。
嚇？
想問你大聲少少啊，何太。
我想問下
事業啊，自己事業係嘛？
係啊係。
Mrs. Ho would like to ask about her own career.
What's interesting is when you were saying Mrs. Ho earlier, when the call came in, I started seeing food industry, but I don't know if that's from the past. I feel her career will go forward with one-on-one practicing with people.
Okay.
She's taken an interest in working on clientele, I think, and either the healing arts or something to help people one-on-one, because she's been a therapist without pay for quite a long time. She's not happy in the career she's in, I don't feel. If she's working in an office or something, I'm not sure, but there's been food in her family in the past, hospitality and service and food industry. She's more of a healer, therapist, healing arts type person, I think, that she could work toward that over time. It's going to take a while though.
OK， 嗱幾樣嘢㗎嚇，咁啊第一樣嘢咧，佢話睇到有食物嘅關係嘅，你嘅可能係你以前嘅事業都唔定。OK， 但係佢唔肯定係咪而家都仲有關係。
就話係1對1嘅。係
啦，咁而家佢睇到有少少係幫人醫 healing， 即係係咪算唔算
醫療啦？
醫療
嘅嘢係啦。
醫療上嘅1對1嘅服務嚟嘅。
係，仲要係你係咪做一陣係免費嘅？
即係例如義工啊，或者幫人哋去治療某啲嘢啊咁樣咯。
係啦。
嗯哼，
冇。
咁會唔會係有啲或者某一種嘅行業，你而家係做緊係你要面對面，唔係一大棚人，係一個人咧
？1對1嘅。
係啦，1對1咁樣做嘅喺工作上面。
冇㗎，冇。
咁你而家係做緊咩㗎？關太。
我而家做緊係
何太。
即係嗰啲食物啦。
哦，食物，即係一早已經講咗食物啦，
係咯，
都係食物嘅行業係咪？
係。
但係你想問佢，
你想問你個事業會唔會進步定係點樣啊？
會唔會進步啊？
即係你會唔會升職加薪嗰啲啦？係嘛
？Getting better.
Yeah, would it be getting better for her? Her career, as it?
No.
You don't feel that?
No, not so much. But she'll. There's going to be a change in some time, and certainly hospitality and working one-on-one with clients is what she's been meant to do. Tell her I feel the location of the business she's in right now is what's the main problem.
OK， 咁啊何太Bro 就話啦，咁啊佢覺得如果你仲係喺你而家飲食業嘅話咧，就可能遲少少就會有個轉變啦，有個改變啦。咁另外一樣嘢就係話呢個轉變就可能會帶你去到一對一嗰個服務行業啦，係啊。咁另外一樣嘢就係話佢話你而家做緊嘅地點咧就唔會對你有幾好不利啦。
係個最大嘅問題喺嗰度啦。
係啦。
But don't move or anything. Don't move or anything. It's gonna continue to progress.
Not her residence. Not her residence. You're talking about.
No, don't move the business. Don't move from your job. Don't quit it. Just keep going the way it is. It's not gonna get too much better, but keep going until.
即係一切都順其自然啦。
係啦。
佢又叫你唔好轉工住，唔好辭職住，係啊。
千祈唔好辭職，即係唔好因為呢一事而去改變啦。咁一切都順其自然，咁一切都會都會高安咁樣咯。
係啊。
OK， 喂，
何太。
係，好啦，唔緊要啦，咁我哋去接聽下一位啊，好冇？
嗱，今晚啲電話好犀利喎。
係咯。
好，下一位陳太。
平時佢哋分享冇咁易。
係咯。Hello， 陳太。
Hello。
你好。
陳太你好啊。
你好，各位好。我想問下佢，因為我唔係幾識英文。
唔緊要。
唔緊要，我哋會幫你翻譯。
嗱，咁我咧即係
即係我哋以前嘅時代咧，結婚咧就父母為主啦。咁我爸爸咧就叫我即係嫁過嚟呢度，即係所謂差唔多過埠新娘啦。係。咁啊屋企就太過窮咧，咁就之後咧就嫁咗嚟呢度。咁啊早幾年我爸爸死咗，咁佢就即係發夢咧，咁我就去拜神啦，拜神拜嗰個地藏王。嗰個地藏王咧就我話咧，我真係做女我都唔知點樣幫到佢，唔知佢升天啊落地，可唔可以引示我，等我見下佢。哇！到咗夜晚第二日，佢喺個棺材嗰度爬出嚟喎。
嚇！哇！你喺個夢境度見定係點樣先？
哇！陳太呢個直頭係鬼故嚟喎。
係咯。
係啊，直情佢喺個棺材嗰度爬出嚟，喺個棺材嗰樣一模一樣喎。佢話：阿女，我好多謝你幫咗我，因為我哋屋企太窮，我而家冇人即係咧，阿爸要走啦，你唔使掛住我，你唔使去揾人問我啦。阿爸走啦，拜拜啦咁樣。
即係佢答謝你啦，係咪？
係啦，
咁你想問乜嘢先，陳太？
咁我就想問下佢而家即係點樣咁咯。
OK，我哋係複雜簡單化嚇，因為我哋時間唔係好多嚇。好 Peter 嚟啊。
Okay, so bro, Mrs. Chen is saying that she was kind of like a male bride, married to coming here to Canada, and that her dad was the one who fixed up the marriage, and her dad passed away, and somehow beforehand her dad has this god that worshipping beforehand. And one thing is that she has a dream before that her dad thanking her, crawling out from a coffin and thanking her that now that because her dad is not a rich guy, so he doesn't really have a lot of money to pay for his own funeral or whatnot, so her dad is thanking her. Now, Mrs. Chen is asking, what do you see, like, where is her dad and how is he doing right now?
Would you ask her if she lost a brother or if he had a brother passed before him? Because I get a brother is with him. I don't know if that's her brother or if it's his brother, but
it's a male.
In the afterlife. Yeah,
it's a male.
Brother, definitely. Brother or uncle.
Okay.
陳太啊，
喂，
阿大師就想問你個問題啊嚇，佢話佢 feel 到有另外一個男性係應該係你啲兄弟啊，
或者你爹哋嘅爹
係過咗身嘅喎。
係啊，正話。
佢話佢都 feel 到呢個人嘅存在喺度喎。
哦，係啊。
係咪啱啱過身啊？
係啊，啱啱過咗2個月。
Okay, he just passed away 2 months ago. So what do you sense about him?
I'm sorry, who?
係你 uncle 係咪你嘅兄弟啊？
係我先生嚟噶。
係你先生啊？
係啊。
It's her husband.
Actually, it's her husband.
I'm not sure if that's what I'm picking up on, but I do get the month of September because I see the number 9 being a passing for an uncle figure. I think that her father does watch over her. I feel that he's in the afterlife, but I'm not getting a contact from him. I'm not seeing how he passed or what has happened, but I do get a sense of presence around her, definitely.
Right.
And actually, I feel that there are many, I mean, you should have her as a guest on the show because her life has many mysteries and many issues in it.
That's amazing, huh?
喂，阿陳太啊，阿大師話你應該好多古仔同我哋分享，
靈異故事，
你應該好多靈異故事喺你身邊㗎喎，佢話。
係啊，我係見到好多嘢㗎，係啊。佢
話佢 feel 到你成日見到嘢㗎喎。
我唔係見到嘢，不過我見到個天有陣時，有一次咧，我哋咧即係嗰陣時咧，有一次啱啱係7月8月15咧，8月15咧，咁啊個天咧就好似食魚羹啦，咁我哋幾個女仔坐喺度咧就食嘢，食下咧有粒星喎，咁啊嘣一聲爆出嚟，咁啊成個天開晒喎，
咁犀利，
開晒咧，咁啊一級樓梯咁啊，哇！我又見到個觀音，又見到牛郎織女，
哇！OK， 咁啊，
陳太個數字9啊，
有個數字9喎，走出嚟喎，對你有冇特別嘅意思啊？
隻狗就已經去咗咯。
係啊，佢都話都係9月嚟。佢都話咗9月㗎啦。好啦，咁啊，陳太咁啊，希望佢答到你問題，因為我哋時間關係啦，咁我哋要去廣告啦。
你爹哋 OK 啊？
你爹哋嗰邊最緊要啦，佢爹哋咧已經係冇問題㗎。
冇問題。
係啊，過咗去嗰邊好。
咁耐都未有。
好安樂啊，已經。
我真係咁耐都未有夢見我媽嘅。
呢樣嘢我答你唔到啦嚇，因為我哋時間關係啊。好，你留意下我哋嘅收音機啦，陣間好冇？咁我哋去呢個廣告先嚇。
犀利啊！我哋大師啊，真係。
咁啊，
犀利講咗。 講咗嚟越
因為個命中率好高，因為大家聽眾係通過個電話同佢講問問題嘅喎，因為佢可以 relate 到好多嘢出嚟，食物啦、碟啦、數字啦，犀利。
其實我覺得都有8成。
其實都有7至8成左右啦，
七成半至8成，
都第一個已經夠嚇親我哋啦，
係啊，咁高㗎啦。
係啊，咁但係當然啦，呢個機會率咁高，我哋都要講一講我哋主題贊助先嘅。冇錯，係啦，咁喺我哋主題贊助杯中物嗰度現場呢，而家都有播放緊我哋呢一個節目嘅。咁而家同時間呢，但係我哋嘅熱線亦都開放咗啦，4164962883。大家呢，除咗今日可以打電話上嚟問阿 Bro 一啲嘅問題之外呢，亦都可以分享一啲你哋嘅經驗啦。冇錯。咁譬如一啲你哋嘅經歷啦，亦都可以㗎。咁今晚呢，講得最精彩嗰一位呢，當然啦嚇，亦都會得到我哋主題贊助杯中物送出嘅1個月免費任飲嘅，咁就每日1杯啦嚇。
咁啊，其實咧，阿 Bro 同我哋講咧，今次都比較少會做呢啲咁夜嘅節目嘅，因為咧佢平時咧夜晚係要好多時間咧去靜坐啦，即係佢唔中意出去嘅，佢一定有個時間係俾佢自己喺度靜思啊，
洗滌心靈。
冇錯啦，咁啊，所以咧就話今日咧比較破天荒啊，所以大家呢個機會咧就唔可以即係唔好放過啦嚇，咁啊快啲打多啲電話上嚟啦嚇，咁我哋再講一講我哋嘅直播室電話啦，好唔好？
係4164962883。咁如果喺海外嘅朋友，我知道其實有好多香港朋友而家都聽緊啦，咁亦就喺前面加個1字，咁就係1416496883。
好多人真係唔識嘅。好 ，anyway 啊嗱。我哋再問阿 Bro 啲問題先啦，好唔好？
係啊，
你不如你想有啲問題就仲想問下嘅係咪？咁我繼續聽電話，你繼續問題。
頭先節目翻嚟之前咧，去 break 嗰陣時候咧，咁阿 Bro 就問我一樣嘢：你之前喺 high school 嗰陣時候係咪想做一個教師嘅？係。咁佢話我就係因為太過中意學習，所以我抽身唔到啊，一路想去做。其實佢講啱一樣嘢，我係有諗過想做教師嘅，因為嗰陣時候我自己覺得係我係叻過先生。我直情我係叻過我先生，我好多我自己嗰陣時，所以唔係啊，嗰陣時候我係叻過，我真係叻過好多個先生，但係嗰啲先生就永遠覺得我係唔得。你咁都畢到業啊？所以調翻轉頭啦，明唔明？所以調翻轉頭我意思，咁佢而家話我而家做緊呢行就啱咯，啱翻。咁就佢話見到我會喺magazine 做一啲例如話雜誌嘅嘢，咁啊，我睇下即係都係啲傳媒工作啦，傳媒工作係啦，咁啊佢都幾啱。你會唔會有啲想問下佢咧？我覺得佢開始越嚟越。其實反而我頭先就問咗佢一啲關於佢自己嘅問題比較多啲。好啊。如果先佢頭先我就問過佢啦，喺節目期間我都問，有啲譬如好似我哋睇電影或者睇電視，見到好多啲問米嘅人啊，或者一啲psychic嘅人啊，佢每次咧去幫人哋去做一個感應啦，或者去做即係譬如做一個 section 嘅時候咧，之後咧佢哋都會覺得哇，好似攞佢條命咁樣嘅感覺，即係好似好攰啊，或者好辛苦啊，即係你見到有陣時有啲問米問完之後，你見到係咁唞氣啊咁樣，即係有好多好多啲咁嘅類似動作。我就問佢，當你做完一個 section 嘅時候咧，你會唔會譬如都好似呢啲人咁樣啊，覺得好攰啊咁？因為頭先都有好多聽眾打電話嚟問咗佢好多好多問題啦，係咪啊？
其實我相信會攰噶，因為某個程度上面都係用佢嘅念力噶嘛，我哋可以講。我睇到佢都已經開始有啲眼瞓啫，佢隻眼有水啦。咁其實唔係，咁佢就話俾我聽，當佢其實佢話每次佢覺得攰嘅時候，係因為佢覺得有好多外在嘅因素影響咗，令到佢集中唔到啊。block 住咗。係啦，咁反而呢一樣嘢會令到佢覺得係比較攰一啲。咁但係佢話當佢 picture 緊一啲嘢嘅時候，其實佢覺得都 OK 嘅咁樣。好啦，咁講到咁多咧，我哋又聽電話啦，好唔好啊？好多電話嚟緊啦，下一位係李女士㗎嚇。Hello， 李女士。李女士喺咪度？係要大聲少少啦，李女士。貼近少少個聽筒啊！問嗰個大師，我點解我住呢個地方，所以我就點解我又想問一問我點解會成日失眠，晚晚瞓唔着？你睇啊，李女士啊，我想問下你失眠有冇原因嘅先？即係你係醫學嘅原因咧，定係你有啲覺得係唔係難以解釋嘅問題咧？係咯，好耐嘅咯，10幾年嘅咯。10幾年。但係本身你自己有冇試過去睇醫生啊？咁樣啊？我都係因為係以前嘅李女士啊，我諗你真係要大聲少少，或者你擺近少少聽到，我哋聽唔到呢個聲音啊。可能我大聲啲，你聽到嘛？而家好啲啦。OK。係。我10幾年，因為我嘅都找個好遠路嚟到呢度。變咗好多環境。係咪？咁我到而家呢都還仍然呢個心係。李女士啊，呢啲會唔會係你嘅心理因素咧？呢啲可能係健康問題嚟嘅喎。咁我要。你
你即係覺得係有啲靈體喺度搞緊你啊？
我係唔係我成日我個父母就走咗好耐啦。咁我同埋我個先生啱啱走咗啱10年啦。咁我想問下，係唔係有啲其他問題喺因素啊，整到我咁唔安樂
？OK， 嗱咁我即管同李女士問下先啦。不過咧有陣時咧，我都覺得如果真係有病要睇醫生㗎嚇。
係啊。
我都有啦。
好啦，李女士，你等我哋幫你問一問先嚇。
Bro, Miss Lee's saying that her parents and also her husband has been passed away for quite a while.
Yeah.
But one thing is she's getting insomnia for quite a while as well, for over 10 years. Now, how are you picking up that?
The two are unrelated. She's got fluid buildup and hearing problems in one of her ear, and it's causing issues with her ability to fall asleep. It's affecting her cerebral. And the other thing is that her father was particularly close, and when she couldn't understand what he wanted to say when he was dying, it was that he loved her and he was proud of her, and he felt that she honored him. It's important for her to know that.
Okay.
May. The month of May is important as an annual date for her dad or her mom, both of them together, or just her dad, I don't know.
Okay.
好，李女士嗱，咁聽住解釋啦嚇。
嗱，李女士有幾樣嘢嘅，第一樣嘢咧，阿 Bro 就係話咧，你嘅失眠同埋你爹哋媽咪同埋你丈夫咧係分開嘅，完全係兩樣唔關事嘅嘢嚟嘅，所以就佢哋唔係佢哋揾即係阻住你瞓覺啊或者之類嘅。咁另外一樣嘢，你聽覺可能有少少問題，例如話喺你嘅尤其是中耳嗰度啦，你會唔會有中耳炎啊或者係
耳積水啊？
耳積水。
耳積水又冇，或者中耳炎啊，或者係有。
或者係有，呢樣嘢係搞到你瞓唔到喎。
咁我問啦，點解我嗰啲皮膚我愛即係？
嗱，李女士啊，李女士，仲有講埋呢度先，
講埋先嚇。你皮膚可能唔關事嘅，咁啊，另外一樣嘢就係話，你爹哋過身嗰陣時候，咪曾經想同你講啲嘢，但係好似講唔到出嚟咧。其實佢想同你講，佢係好愛你，同埋佢覺得好自豪，好自豪啊，因為你
係啊，見唔到我爹哋喺好遠地方。
係啦，咁可能因為呢個原因，佢即係想同你講一啲嘅説話，而佢講唔到啦。
係啊，即係可能見你唔到啦，最後講唔到嘢俾你聽。係
啦，但係佢最想同你講嘅嘢就係話，佢好愛你，同埋佢好為你自豪嘅呢一樣嘢。
係啦，同埋另外一樣嘢就係個5月份啊，May 啊，5月份
，5月
係咪一個你爹哋媽咪嘅紀念日啊，或者係
一個比較重要嘅日子啦？係啦，一個係比較對佢哋嚟講係比較重要嘅日子啊，對你父母嚟講。
係啊，我有個媽媽係5月嘅生日嘅。
5月生日。
5月生日，哦，
5月生日，
因為咁啊。
Okay. Her mom's birthday is on
May.
Okay, 嗱咁我哋。
And she can see a sleep specialist. She should go to the sleep center and get some earplugs.
Okay.
On 2 earplugs, she'd fall asleep.
Okay.
嗱，李女士啊，阿 Bob 都話啦，要提議你要睇下醫生先啦嚇，因為你嘅問題純粹係你嘅醫學問題嚟嘅，
生理問題。
係啦，咁我哋嘅時間差唔多，因為我哋仲要聽其他人嘅電話嚇，因為皮膚嗰啲我相信你都要揾醫生先搞掂啦，好唔好啊？
想問一問佢得唔得？
快少少啦，快少少啦。
我想問下我個先生喺呢度唔喺度，咁佢有冇安唔安樂嘅啫？
安樂啊，佢頭先
啱啱講咗啦，安樂啊
，OK 啊，你
屋企人啊都安樂嘅。
好
OK， 多謝晒
你，李女士，好啦，拜拜。
OK，好啦，係咪仲有下一位聽眾？
阿 Chris，
係咪另外一位 Chris 係咪啊？
我嚟嘅，
應該係啩
？OK，Anyway
啦，咁快啲問啦嚇，快啲啦，俾2分鐘你嚇。
I came across a question. Will I able to survive after the 2012?
Yes, we all will.
We all will.
Yeah,
so
we all will.
Not a big problem, right?
2012 is more, as I've been able to pick up on it, a sort of a shift in perspective or consciousness where more people are going to start becoming spiritual. It's not so much something that'll happen in the world, but 2015 is when the magnetic poles will flip.
Oh, okay.
Chris,
what happened to me after?
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear that.
What happened to him afterwards?
What would happen to him? Well, the thing that what I can tell you is that I've given readings to over 3,000 people, and I've seen their life span going forward normally way past 2012, so I'd assume that you'll be okay, but unless you have a reading with me directly, I couldn't promise that I can see everything or what would happen. I mean,
OK
change, right?
OK， 咁啊明白啦，咁啊多謝晒 Chris 嘅嚇，
或者解釋一下啦 Peter， 咁可能有啲聽眾都想知道係咩事。
係啦，基本上 Chris 咧，頭先今日 Chris 嘅講咧就阿 Bro 就話咧，其實2012咧只不過係一個嚇人嘅日子嚟嘅啫，其實冇咩大礙嘅。
就好似2000年咁樣嘅啫。
係啦，即係 Y2K 咁樣，可能有隻蟲咁樣出現，咁其實乜都
個個都驚嘅，
其實唔需要擔心嘅。
但係佢話個 North Pole 會 shift 嚇
，2015年
就會咧呢個
調轉南北極調轉，
就會移位啊，
極係移個極
會。其實而家每年都移緊少少嘅，每年都移緊少少嘅嚇。咁啊，2015年會有個大 shift 啦嚇。
係啦，同埋阿 Bro 就話，因為佢睇過好多人嘅名水啦嚇，咁啊見到個個人都平鋪直敍嘅，咁啊所以冇嘢發生，所以唔使驚。咁好啦，另外一個聽眾啦噃，
劉女士
，Mrs. Lau，
劉女士，
係我喺度。
Hello， 劉女士，你有咩問題？
係，我想問下咧，關於我父母嘅。
係，你講啊，請講啊。
係啊，我想問一問佢哋係點樣嘅情況咧？因為佢哋過咗身啦。
OK， 嗱，好，你淨係想知道佢哋安唔安樂，或者係咪過咗嗰邊啦？
因為咧，即係喺我爸爸過身之後冇幾耐咧，我佢即係佢成日有信息係想講俾我聽嘅嘢，但係我收唔到。
OK，
咁我哋幫你問下。你好想知你反而你嘅信息係喺你個夢裡面，你覺得佢有啲嘢想同你講咧，講唔到啊，定係話點樣咧？
唔係。
你收到嘅直頭。
佢因為佢過身之後咧，曾經通過一啲電信打俾我。
電信即係例如電話。
香港電信。
係啊嚇，即係香港嗰度。咁有用電話嚟想通知我一啲嘢，喺佢落葬嘅時候。佢個funeral 嘅時候咧，曾經用某一啲嘢想通知我。我唔知佢想話俾我聽乜嘢。
OK，
但係當時佢已經唔喺度㗎啦。
唔喺度㗎。
即係佢話準備個 funeral 嗰陣時嘅嚇。
OK，
得，我哋幫你問下 Bro 先嚇。OK，
Bro, the case is that Miss Lau, she's just trying to ask about her parents. Both of her parents passed away already, and one thing is, her dad has been trying to find her in one way or another, especially at the day of his funeral.
He leaves coins for her. She's been finding pennies or coins in a very unusual way. Is she aware of that?
劉女士，
你係咪你爹哋係咪留咗啲 coins 俾你咧？Do you mean collectibles?
佢有啲 coins 但係有
like pennies,
其他嘅
things like this.
比較貴重嘅唔係留俾我，即係佢有好多。
嗱，而家 Bro 就特別指係啲 coins 喎。
He can move
little objects
或者係細嘅物件嚇。
Little objects that are gold.
Not gold, but they can appear in one place.
Okay.
They can go missing and show up when.
嗱，佢話你屋企係咪有啲細嘅物件，突然間又會唔見咗，突然間又會出現翻？
你講我喺加拿大嘅屋企人。
Is that at her
home here?
At her house here?
In her home, wherever she is, it'll happen. It'll follow her.
你而家住緊嘅地方。
Find things in unusual ways that are his way of getting to her.
係啊。
What is it because of her parents?
It's his particular way of.
例如啲細嘅物件咧，或者你啲鎖匙啊、銀仔啊、
吊嘴啊、耳環，
總之係細嘅物件咧。
劉女士，阿 Bro 就係話咧，依樣嘢要跟住你一世嘅，因為咧依個就係你爹哋。
唔係，而家有冇先？
佢話嗱，咁阿 Bro 就話啦，依樣嘢跟住你就係你爹哋想揾，即係想同你聯絡嘅方法嚟嘅。
係呢個係一個方法啫嚇。
你成日唔見咗一啲嘢，咁然之後佢突然之間又會出現翻嘅，好細嘅嘢嘅啫。
But she lost a lot of people at once.
可以睇到任何我父母想有啲乜嘢嘅情況咧
？Is any message from her parents
from her parents?
Well, first I need to know if I'm picking up on her parents, because what I get is that she had 3 people die very close together, like within 2 or 3 years. Like her mother, father, and then an aunt or someone all went very close together.
劉女士啊，Bro 問你咧係咪佢因為佢 pick up 到有3個人過咗身，咁
啲關係都好密切，
關係好密切，
期間都個日期都好密切嘅，
係啦，日期，
即係佢過身嘅日期。
大家即係
可能係2-3年啊，
係啦。
2-3年，佢係咪意思係已經過咗身？
係啊，嗱，佢講緊嘅 predict 即係最主要佢只係你爹哋、媽咪，同埋有一個好似係 auntie 嘅物體。
係啦，
係啦。
係啊，我一個堂家姐嚇。
係 OK，咁佢哋嘅日子都唔會話即係隔咗太耐嘅喎。過身 佢如果講緊係2年3年嘅期間，
家姐就密啲啦，係啊，隔得同我爸爸隔得埋啲啦嚇。
阿 Bro 就話而家佢感覺到好多嘅悲傷啦，或者係一啲哀嚎啊，
所以好唔開心啦，
好唔開心。
If she's thinking about, I think I might have a message coming through to her, but what you might want to make mention too is because their language is also Chinese and I can't speak that, so they have to show me in pictures.
Right.
I get a feeling about a move or a decision to make a change to come from one country to another to settle, and that's a positive thing, that they see this happening for either herself or one of her children. It will happen and it's going to be a good thing.
嗱，因為阿 Bro 頭先解釋啦，因為始終有言語上面嘅隔膜啊嚇，因為阿 Bro 就唔識中文嘅，咁而家佢話佢收到啲 message 係通常一幅圖像咁樣啦，咁佢要翻譯翻出嚟。咁阿 Bro 頭先講話，佢話見到咧係會有少少移動嘅動作，係咩移動咧？譬如去第二個國家 settle down，可能係你或者你啲仔女都唔定。佢話睇到有少少啲咁嘅事會發生喎。或者你哋係咪想你想有個即係回流或者你有個打算考慮緊係咪想走咧？
或者係咪你爹哋媽咪係咪講另外一種語言咧？即係如果係除咗中文廣東話之外，
仲有另外一個呢個另外dialect啦嚇。
其實有啲方言啦。
係方言啦嚇。好啦。
咁但係想話去第二度發展或者去第二度落腳，有冇咁嘅事情咧？
可能仔女啦。
可能仔女係咪啊？
唔係啩
OK，好，咁啊，何女士仲有咩問題啊？
冇乜嚟嚇。
好，咁，OK，多謝晒，
多謝啦。
都幾得意喎嚇！其實溝通嘅時候都有言語嘅障礙嘅喎，因為佢正話講到就話佢哋佢 feel 感應到啦，就話有呢個用中文去同佢溝通，但係佢哋溝通唔到，而令到有個影像係啦出咗嚟係咯。
同埋頭先我哋都有問到啦，即係頭先我哋去廣告嘅時間，亦都問咗好多問題啊。其中一個問題咧就係話，我哋譬如好似一啲親人啊喺外地其他地方過咗身嘅時候咧。佢哋會唔會啊？即係好似我哋中國人咁，佢哋過唔到關或者過唔到嚟加拿大揾我哋或者乜嘢？咁原來阿 Bro 佢就話唔會嘅，
係啦，無分國界。
佢喺呢個 space 裏面咧，其實就唔會嘅，
都會接收到嘅。咁啊，而家有位聽眾我哋接咗入嚟先啦。
Hello， 喂，
我係姓何嘅。
係何女士。
何女士，
我爸爸咧就30幾年前過身咗，咁我媽咧就舊年啦過身啦，咁我細佬同個妹咧就。3、4年前過咗身，咁我想問下佢哋而家點樣？同埋我阿媽咧就佢係咪有啲遺產？會唔會有啲遺產留俾我
？OK。
但我想問下你媽咪過身咗幾耐啊？
舊年啊。
舊年。但係即係仲未知道有冇遺產嗰啲。OK， 好。
因為我仲有個細佬。
明白。
喺度啊，個細佬在生。
So what Miss Ho is trying to？
我想問我個另外大細佬同埋個妹個媽。同埋個爸爸而家好唔好啊？
嚇，
大細妹，
佢因為已經往生咗啦。呢4個人
係
嚇，
係咪可唔可以再重複一次？係你爹哋媽咪，你個
大細佬同埋個妹，
同埋個妹 OK
往生咗。
好啊
，OK， 我想問下佢哋而家好唔好
？OK，
同埋咧就想問
下幾多遺產？
好得
，OK， 好，你等一陣。Bro, Miss Ho is trying to say that her dad passed away for over 30 years, and her mom passed away last year as well. Her brother and one sister passed away. And one thing is there any inheritance left for her and another brother? And are they doing well on the other side?
Yeah, but she should already know about the property.
你有地產，應該你已經知道晒。你應該知有地產樣嘢噶咯。係啊。係啊，你。嚟咩事啊？我哋睇嚟地產，但唔知係咪分俾佢
唔係最緊要我哋。
唔係佢話應該知道個結果㗎啦喎。
意思我即係話即係我因為仲有個細佬啊，我驚。
嗱，
唔係佢話你應該知道個結果㗎啦喎。
阿何女士啊。
係啊，我未有啊。
何女士，阿 Bro 頭先就講一句，佢係通靈嘅，佢知道你係想試下係咪得唔得？
佢已經講咗出嚟啦。
唔係啊，我即係我唔知我細佬會唔會獨佔啊？因為我知有
嘅數，即係你想知道，即係可能因為你細佬會唔會因為呢一啲原因之間會有一啲 happen 係咪啊？
係啊，我細佬因為我同我細佬佢喺香港第二度地方咁。
阿何女士啊，係咪有少少問題咧？關於呢個物業就係你同埋你嘅你個細佬嘅老婆，你嘅弟婦啊，同埋你。
我就係唔係好知咯，而家。
阿 Bro 就係話緊呢樣嘢啦，佢好似見到有啲問題出現喎。將會或者
關你個弟婦事啊？
係啦，弟婦喎。
反而你細佬即係唔關事喎。
佢頭先好 insist on 一樣嘢就係 sister-in-law。
係啦，係啦。
咁樣呢個問題大唔大嘅
？Is it a huge problem or is it
big issue?
It's just there's going to have to be some decisions made when they want to decide to sell it or rent it. A sister-in-law, perhaps her brother's wife or somebody will be trying to influence her sibling a little bit, but it's fine. Everything's good, and she's making very good decisions. Her and her sibling are making good decisions.
係啦，咁啊何女士阿 Bro 而家又就話
I keep going over a bridge. I keep seeing a bridge associated.
佢成日見到條橋喎。
I don't know if he died in an accident or if the home or the property
is near the bridge.
It's just over a bridge where there's water that they have to go over to get, or if there's a bridge with a ravine on the property, I'm not sure, but I see this.
OK，何女士有兩樣嘢就係第一樣啦，你爹哋過身嘅地方附近咧係咪有一條橋，或者係咪你個物業嗰度有條橋會達到嘅？
係啦，因為佢成日係咁見到有條橋啊。
係啊，
我爸爸
唔係，因為而家咧
唔係嗱，佢
大師就成日見到有條橋。
係啦，
係啦，喺佢 picture 到一條橋，
但佢唔知咩意思，咁我想問下你啊，呢條橋對你有冇意義先？第一樣嘢
冇啊，
冇乜意義。OK， 咁第二樣嘢咧，講翻佢嗰個家產嘅問題先啦嚇，即係個 property 嘅問題。property 嗰度點？
你等陣何女士就係
我細佬。
何女士嗰個
講埋個物業先啊。
嗰物業嗰度咧就冇乜問題嘅，基本上你可能有啲有啲決定
優嘅位置添啊，佢話
係有啲決定你一定要做嘅。不過你 so far 咧，你而家做得幾好，你所有嘅決定都做得幾啱，所以應該冇乜問題嘅。就算係嗰陣時候船到橋頭自然直，大家坐低嚟傾啦。
係啦，冇錯啦。
OK。遺產嗰度冇問題。
冇問題，
冇問題嘅，
好冇？
咁仲有我問我阿媽同埋我個細佬我爸爸而家佢點樣咧
？How is her family doing on the other side? They are together now.
3-4年嘅啫。
I feel that they were together in life, and that usually when they're together in life, they're together in the afterlife. I feel that several siblings have passed away young. Her mother had trouble giving birth to kids, would have had 5 children, but lost 2 near birth. There would have been almost twins in her family once. Yep.
何女士啊，你媽咪咧之前係咪曾經試過難產、
流產？
有一個唔喺度。
因為佢話基本上
有機會係
媽添喎。佢話有機會留咗嗰個係孖胎。
即係原本你屋企係有5個小朋友嘅，但係有2個
接近可以生嘅時候就離開咗啦，係。
唔係好知，但係佢又試過有一個係有一個流產。
OK， 因為佢係有啲問題，佢睇到你媽咪嗰邊生育有啲難度啊。應該話 OK。
我阿媽往生咗咯喎。
佢哋嗱，因為唔係即係佢話以前即係在生嘅時候啊，講緊 OK。咁你而家咧喺嗰邊咧就冇乜問題，因為咧如果通常咧嗰幾位嘅家庭成員喺在生一齊住嘅話咧，去到過咗身之後咧都會一齊喺埋一齊。咁佢嘅 feel 到咧佢喺埋一齊嘅。
佢哋而家喺埋一齊。
係冇問題嘅。
係啦。
好安樂嘅。
咁我阿媽有冇嚟睇我咁樣啊
？Did her mom visit her?
Almost right away after the funeral. Almost right away, like the night of the passing, at 1 in the morning, she heard her mother call her name and she woke up.
你媽咪應該係葬禮之後第一日嘅凌晨1點鐘已經嚟探過你㗎咯。
曾經嗌過你個名，
嗌過你個名㗎喎。
咗身嘅。
係。
嗌到你起身㗎咯喎。
嗌到你起身㗎喎。
係啊。
試到啦，係嘛？
佢過身嗰陣時啊。
佢過咗身嗰晚喪禮嘅
嗰晚，
唔係喪禮之後嘅第一日。
喪禮之後第一日。
Funeral after funeral, right？
係啊。
Right after she passed。
唔係喎，佢過咗身嘅第一晚。
第一晚啫喎。
係啊。OK， 咁啊，多謝晒你電話先啦，因為我哋仲有好多電話嚇。
唔該晒。
OK， 拜拜。
拜拜。
好啦，咁啊，有一位長路電話喺香港打嚟嚇，叫 Ada 嚇。
Ada。Hello Ada。
Hello Ada 你好，唔好意思你等咁耐嚇。
唔緊要，
因為我哋比較多電話。
關於唔緊要，關於我媽媽㗎。咁其實佢細個嘅時候咧，就佢俾另外一個家庭收養咗咯，因為屋企有問題。咁佢個細佬咧就賣咗去第二個國家咁樣嘅。
而家講緊你媽媽。
你媽媽個細佬啊？
你媽媽個細佬俾人買咗國家。
係啦，咁佢個細佬咧就買咗第二個地方，咁唔知去咗美國定加拿大咁樣咯。咁其實佢咁多年咧都好想即係都有記掛嘅。咁其實佢哋會有機會會撞翻。
想揾翻個細佬。
係啦，
係咪？
會有機會見。
OK， 我哋幫你問下 Brooke 嚇。
Okay, bro. Her Ada's mom actually got adopted by another family, and one thing is that her mom's brother got sold off to another country.
North America, basically.
Yeah, and she's trying to see if there's any chance of meeting this uncle.
Yeah. 嗱，而家阿波喺諗緊。
Seeing the U.S., but I don't feel that might happen. I feel that's a negative, but it might be that I'm not seeing it, but I just get the sense that I'm not even sure if he's alive.
係
啊，即係可能已經唔在。
有少少即係一個唔係咁好嘅嗱，又未必準嘅嗱，
係因為佢感應唔到。
嗱，佢感應唔到第一樣嘢。
佢只係感應唔到呢個 uncle 啫嚇。
我媽媽好細個就已經係發生㗎啦。
係啊，因為嗱第一樣嘢佢感應唔到你嘅 uncle 嘅存在，絕對係感應唔到。咁佢可能覺得可能未必喺度都唔定。
阿 Bro 有個名俾你 Ada。
There might be a George associated. He may have been gone to the U.S. and the name George may be his adopted name.
George 佐治啊，
即係係啦，過到去嘅改咗個名可能。
He was adopted by something like this could be involved.
係啦，咁佢話 U.S. 佢講咗 U.S. 2次㗎啦，咁就可能係喺美國嘅。
係啦，
咁但係佢唔 sure，因為佢個信息唔係好強啊。
係啦，咁佢話呢個
係去咗美國嘅。
係
佢話呢個名咧，佐治咧，一係就係佢俾佢收養嗰個人就叫做係個姓啦，或者佢名就叫 George 嘅。
係啦。
或者循呢個途徑去咯。
我想問個問題咧，係關於我自己嘅事業。
好啊，嚟啊！Ada 講。
就係純粹係想問一問我嘅事業嘅啫。
你嘅事業。
而家呢段時間會點樣咯？
好嗱，咁我哋問一問 Brooke。
How's Ada's career doing right now? Is it going good or is it going south?
I don't think I'm seeing her career, because right when we were writing her name down and we got her on the phone, I started seeing medical doctor. I didn't know if Ada herself was incredibly intelligent and thought of being a doctor or being medical. But as she asked this question now, I get the feeling that she's self-employed or that she tries to do a small business. But I wonder why I was seeing medicine or doctors in the family. So that I couldn't tell her whether it's going to be good or not, but maybe I am picking up on her life.
嗱，咁有幾樣嘢啦。咁第一樣嘢咧就話佢唔知點解會見到有啲係類似係醫生啊或者藥物嘅東西啊、藥劑啊嗰啲啊，同你嘅屋企或者係你條命都好有關聯嘅嘢。但係佢唔 sure 你係做呢行喎。OK， 第一樣嘢係咁。
我頭先聽到佢講 self-employed， 咁其實我
self-employed
嗰個 nature 都係有啲係 self-employed 嘅。
咁你話搞應該係搞小生意嘅。
工作嘅，我有兩份工作，咁我係一個舞蹈嘅教師，另外我係做保險嘅。
係咪？咁佢話一小生意啦，佢講緊。
如果保險某個程度上面會唔會同啲醫療有啲關係咧？
會唔會有醫療保險啊？至少
有嘅，因為都會。
唔係啊，佢話其實可能係你屋企嘅成員都唔頂嘅喎。
係啊，
佢話有少少可能係
醫生嗰邊就唔關醫療嗰邊，就係醫生。
係啊，直頭係醫生啊、醫藥物啊嗰啲嘅，即係一啲關係都冇。
成員係做呢一範咯。
有冇啊？
冇啊。
冇啊。OK， 咁我哋再睇下 Brooke 有冇。
應該即係好定係唔好定係？
好嗱，我哋再睇下 Brooke 有咩講下。
So she's actually a dancer and an insurance broker right now, but do you see any good things coming out? Or is it just like...
She'll focus more in dance. She's got some project coming up in the springtime in April. But yes, but the thing is, the visions I'm having about doctors or something, it could just be that, let's say your father's side had doctors in it, you would take after your father more. You would be like him. So sometimes a vision may indicate who you're more like. It may not answer your question directly, but indirectly in a funny kind of way, you can I can tune into who you are. But I do feel that you're more interested in pursuing your dancing and maybe instructing and teaching and opening up a studio. But that'll take some time. Yeah.
Ada 明明
OK，
即係你做教師就比較你中意啦，
專注喺跳舞嗰個上面啦，係啦，
咁啊不要多少少時間啦，嗬。好啊，多謝晒 Ada 嘅長途電話嚇，
多謝你哋，
好，得閒打多啲電話上嚟啦嚇。OK， 拜拜。咁我哋仲有聽眾㗎嚇。
OK， 係啦，咁啊頭先阿 Bro 都
係咯，
咁啊真係非常之犀利。我成沓紙喺我隻手嗰度。
算唔算我哋開咗節目以嚟最多電話？應該係啦，係啊，
係啦。
Extremely good response tonight，係
啊。
OK，thanks you bro。
OK， 梁女士嘅嚇，梁太 ，sorry。
Hello， 梁太你好。
我問一問阿先生。
係，你想問乜嘢？
佢已經往生咗10多年啦。
係。
咁係意外嘅車禍嘅。想問佢有冇留低啲嘢喺香港啫
？Okay. Mrs. Lung's husband passed away in Hong Kong for more than 10 years in a car accident. Is there anything left from him for her that is designated for her?
Oh, she really loved him too. She must have been out of the country at the time of his death. She wasn't able to be there right away. She had to travel back for his funeral or to help with arrangements. However, I feel that He loves her very much and visits her in dreams predominantly. She dreams of him around their anniversary, which would have been February, March, April, May, sort of coming to the end of winter, going to the beginning of summer, sometime there.
Yeah. 梁女士啊，咁阿 Bro 就話咧，你係咪你先生過身嘅時候，你係唔喺佢身邊啦？你 predominantly 佢話係你
要翻香港幫佢搞個葬禮啦。
係啦，即係你根本身唔喺嗰個國家嘅。咁啊，另外一樣嘢就係你先生過身嘅時候，你唔喺佢身邊啦，你喺另外一個國家。係啊。嗱，另外一樣嘢就係話。你先生咧而家有時會探你嘅，喺你夢裏邊啊，最多大部分都係夢裏邊探你，就尤其是喺你哋嘅結婚紀念日或者有啲某一類型嘅紀念日啦，就係2月或者3月或者4月等等嘅，即係差唔多係春天時間。冬天完就夏天開。
咁佢話係咯，非常之愛你喎。
係非常之愛你。
你先生。
咁佢有冇留低啲
？Is there anything left for her？
錢嗰啲嘢
Money？
香港啊，因為佢
In Hong Kong。
No。
冇啊，
冇吧？
佢睇唔到。
即係香港冇錢。
冇錢。
咁樣佢而家去咗邊度咧
？Where did he go right now? Is he?
First of all, to her money question, I don't know if he had a brother that was an executor of his will, but a male who's a brother figure may have decided what happens with him more than she did, which was unfair. His family took over his dealings after his passing more than she was able to. Was she able to confirm that she was away at the time of his passing?
Yeah.
And also, with regards, I'm sorry, what was the final question? Where he is now?
Where is he now?
He's in the afterlife, but they can visit us from wherever they are because they can dream about us when we dream about them.
Okay.
Yeah.
梁女士啊，一樣嘢就係你爹哋嗰邊咧，咪有個兄弟係差唔多係基本上你嘅叫遺產嘅執行人係啦。
我個爹哋嗰度咩話？
你個先生啊？
你先生係咪有一個兄弟咧？就即係有一個兄弟，即係你可能你先生兄弟啦。
夫家嗰邊啦，有個人係遺產係啦，遺產執行人
處理
做得唔係好公平嘅，
而且做得唔係咁公平。
我先生嗰度有個兄弟。
係因為佢主要就話你嗰個你先生個財產咧，你個控制能力係比較低嘅嗰陣時，主要都係你夫家嗰邊咧去控制個財產嘅分配
嘅，係啦冇錯。
唔係，因為我先生個兄弟已經往生，即係死咗好耐㗎啦，
都唔喺度啦。
唔一定係兄弟嘅，即係你夫家嗰邊咧，
或者有個 friend 啊，
有個男人啦，總之係啦，有個男性。
有個男性控制我哋嘅財產。
係做一個財產嘅執行人，
分配啊嗰樣嘢咯。
所以你先至唔會知道。
因為我先生係唔信我嘅。
哦。
委託咗邊個喺香港？
係啦，
係啊，即係佢喺香港嗰邊，即係你先生嗰邊嘅人啦。
嗰個人可能就好似情同佢手足咁樣，所以佢寧願留俾即係可能依個人
呢一個人去處理
呢個人去處理嘅
嚇。
就攞唔翻㗎啦。
咁你會係咪覺得有少少唔公平咧？
唔係，我就懷疑佢係有，但係
嗱佢又冇嗱佢就睇唔到有咩財產，但係佢就淨係睇到咧係嗰陣時係夫家嗰邊有人係執行呢個財產嘅分配啦。
冇俾到我。
咁樣啊。OK。好。
小產嗰個而家點啊？
而家點啊？而家哇！
唔係小產嘅，我係落咗。
係。
以前。
我之前有個細路仔落咗。
廿幾年前。
Okay.
More than 20 years ago, Mrs. Long has an abortion, and what happened to the kid?
Can you see the kids right now?
It's interesting because around the question of her husband passing away, I was going to ask if she was pregnant at the time because I picked up on something like this. So the abortion she had, I think there's a secret there that I'm not comfortable sharing on radio about the child, but the child's soul is fine, and she's not. No one gets punished for such things.
So there's no guilt involved.
So the pregnancy period is the same as when his husband passed away? Is that what you're saying?
The pregnancy was when she was with her husband, but there's a lot of guilt around that pregnancy and things that I can't go into.
梁女士啊，咁啊，基本上就係話，其實阿 Bro 咧就之前已經想問你噶啦，就佢都 sense 到有啲關於一個嬰兒嘅過身嘅
一個懷孕嘅事件。
係啊，
一個懷孕事件。
另外一樣嘢就係你就唔需要太過難過，或者因為呢個嬰兒冇人需要負責任嘅呢樣嘢，
冇罪嘅。
但係佢自己覺得呢度有個秘密，佢係唔
想同我哋分享嘅，
就唔可以喺呢個手機度分享到啦。
咁但係你個 BB 咧係冇問題嘅，係好安樂嘅而家嚇。
咁我個老公咧？
你個
What about her husband?
He's not mad at her.
佢唔
係嬲你。
冇嬲我，佢 佢就意外㗎嘛。
OK。
佢而家佢安唔安樂先？
佢而家安樂啊，佢 OK 嘅。
係啊，
咁我8年前我個新抱又小產咗一個。
Okay, her what's it called? Her son's wife had maybe probably an abortion or miscarriage, something like that. What happened to the kid? And how's the kid doing right now?
Well, I think where some of the thoughts and feelings of this caller are going is that maybe she feels that some of these terrible things are consequences to her poor decisions. And what I need to tell her is that these are just coincidences and that nothing of this is a consequence, and that child as well is probably with a mother figure. Now, I don't know if her daughter-in-law lost her mother fairly young, or if it's that her daughter-in-law was incredibly close to her grandmother, but someone who would have been like a mother to her daughter-in-law takes care of the little girl.
Okay.
Because her daughter-in-law should be pregnant now or soon, because the same soul will be reborn.
OK， 兩樣嘢，第一樣咧，你個新抱咧係咪而家或者不久將來將會係懷孕啦？咁啊，嗰個之前佢流產嗰個小朋友咧，
都會翻嚟嘅。
嚇，會翻嚟。
即係都會喺個 BB 嗰度係咪？
嗰個小朋友佢就話因為嗰個小朋友其實就而家就同另外一個媽媽或者呢個新抱嘅媽媽一齊嚇，咁啊另外一樣嘢就係啦，
即係 take care 一個仲有一個細路女喎，頭先我聽到佢一個 little girl。
我唔係明啊。
唔係，佢嘅頭先阿波嘅意思即係話你個新抱而家或者將來將會係懷孕係咪？
再懷孕。
但係同我仔分開咗啦。
咁或者可能或者佢將來嘅一位丈夫啦。
係啦，咁啊另外一樣嘢就係之前你個新。
而家我新抱懷孕嗰 BB 就係跟翻你阿媽，係咪咁意思啊？
唔係兩樣嘢嚟嘅。嗱，第一樣就係佢嗱，不如咁講啦。你之前你頭先咪問我哋，你個新抱咪之前流產嘅？
係。
嗱，嗰個流產嘅嬰兒咧，就而家同一係你新抱嘅媽媽，或者係一個你新抱嗰邊有個女性嘅人物一齊嘅，咁所以好安全嘅，唔使。
主要就喺翻佢媽媽嗰邊啊。
係啦。咁啊，另外一樣嘢就係你所發生嘅呢啲咁不幸嘅嘢咧，其實唔係有個關聯喺裏邊嘅，咁你就唔使擔心。佢只不過係好咁啱得咁巧嘅啫。
係啦。
明唔明啊
？OK， 咁啊應該冇乜問題啦，答到你個問題啦，係咪啊 ？OK， 安樂啦，總之就嚇，唔好擔心嚇，多謝你嘅電話。
唔該曬。
好，拜拜。好，咁啊，下一位仲有㗎嚇，一路話何女士啊。
何女士。
何女
士。OK， 唔該曬。
喂，
你好，何女士。
你好。
你好。
係。
一問咧，我家公咧就中咗風，而家喺大陸。睇下佢而家好唔好？
Her husband's dad actually got
father-in-law.
Father-in-law.
Yeah. Her father-in-law is in China right now, and he's got stroke. So she wants to know like how he's okay or not.
Yeah.
It's really affected his speech and his and everything. I feel he's very immobile. I think that this is going to require the family to put him under special care, and that I'm not sure if he's able to return home.
Okay.
I'm not sure. It's a bit sad, but it's at the same time it's what he needs, I think.
你家公語言可能有困難，因為以前係中風啦，亦都係行動有問題，咁啊，所以變咗你就
可能已經入喺醫院度啲特別護理啦，咁佢就話睇唔到你家公可以有機會翻得到屋企咯。
同埋你可能要翻去幫佢。
係啊。
係啦。
即係佢就即係有啲問題。
個情況比較差少少啦，
嚴重少少啦。
我想問一問我先生佢做事業，即係佢事業好唔好咧
？How about her husband's career?
What field is it in, if you don't mind my asking?
佢係做咩？
做邊行啊？
佢又係做餐館嘅。
餐館。restaurant。
Well, it's pretty good, but a partner will leave, but that's a blessing in disguise. If one partner will leave, that's a good thing. I never work with family.
OK，
咁啊，係咪你而家你個丈夫咧係有其他合夥人嘅咧？咁啊，其中一個合夥人將會係走嘅，咁啊，但係呢樣嘢原來好事嚟嘅。
佢唔係有合夥人去打工㗎。
佢打工。OK，
he's an employee. An employee? Okay, so there's change in management happening on the upper level of the restaurant, but it's all a good thing. I don't think.
咁啊，即係上級上面有轉變啊。
係啦，
即係啲老細可能大家有機會換位啦，但係好事嚟嘅，對你先生
係一件好事嚟㗎嚇。
So it's beneficial to.
即係佢有前途啦嚇。
有前途，
係肯做有前途啦。
新年啦，有前途。
好，咁啊，何太答唔答到你問題？ OK， 多謝晒，
多謝你電話先，
拜拜。下一位何女士啊，
何女士
，Hello， 何女士。
你哋好啊！
你好，
我話啱打個電話嚟咧，我話我細佬嗰啲財產同我分咧，我媽俾佢話我係有物業嗰度咧，正話咁我就聽唔到話我同我細佬嗰啲分有冇問題咧？我唔聽到佢講乜嘢。
佢都係話你真係有一個好嘅決定啫，咁一切咧，即係大家都要坐低傾一傾嘅。係啦。我相信
即係後尾到最後嗰個結果都係睇你哋嘅 decision 啦。
係啦，咁但係
有陣時你都唔可以100%話你有同冇嘅呢啲嘢係咪先？
但係佢都話你都最後你都會作出一個好嘅決定嘅，就唔使太擔心啦。
順其自然啦，好唔好啊？
因為佢話係咪話我弟婦嘅問題啊？唔係我細佬嘅問題啊？
即係可能會有少少即係牽涉到咯，可能係啦。
都冇事嘅係咪？應
該冇事㗎。
何女士，今晚我哋大師咧作出一個只係個預測嚟嘅啫，你唔可以完全話100%當真啊！我哋呢度呼籲下先，咁到時一間
係啊，最後左右到呢個決定，我哋擔當唔起啊嘛，係咪先？
可能然後你之後一路佢都係順其自然嘅，一啲都唔掂咁啊，就幫唔到你啦，
係咪先？所以都係嚇
即係作為一個參考啦，
作為一個參考啦，好唔好啊？
參考啦，好冇
？OK，
唔該，
多謝晒。
哇！今晚啲電話真係好犀利啊！
That's right。
係啦，咁阿 Bro 都係同我 confirm 翻呢樣嘢，肯定翻一樣嘢就係其實我哋所有嘢都係用嚟做參考嘅啫，即係都係要靠本身嘅努力啦。
不過我哋真係不得不佩服阿 Bro， 因為啲嘢真係好準，起碼我哋到聽到而家，起碼坐底有80% 係真係 correct 正確嘅啊。
Well, another thing to consider too is that you know when you sit with a person for a whole hour or more in a reading, you will be able to pick up the reasons why. Whereas they're asking me about a father who passed, if they sit with me, I don't hear anything. I tell them they have a father who's passed. So you put the blocks together in a full-on reading, but on the radio you really have to take it as being just a suggestion, just not fact.
即係啲建議啊。
係啦 ，Bro 始終都係強調一樣嘢，就係如果
面就會好啲啦。
係啦，因為
通過電話係啊，始終就話有個折扣喺度啦，係有障礙喺度啦。So bro, I just want to ask you a question. So that's what we say. Like if somebody lock your door and try to tax your power, so what you going to do? Because you know what, like somebody's just try to figure out is it true or not.
如果有啲人想試下 Bro 嘅話，會點咧？會發生啲咩事咧？
有咩反應咧？
有咩反應
Yeah, to test the power. Well, you know, it depends. They have to understand what the power is.
Right.
Some people think it's mind reading. So they'll say, what am I thinking? And the answer is, I really don't read minds, so I wouldn't be able to tell. But if you had a real issue that you were suffering with and you didn't tell me what area of life even, like let's say you have a health issue, but you could be coming to me for anything for all I know, but the first thing I start talking about is your health, that in itself is a validation. And that's what you have to really put to the test. You have to not give me information and let me just give you what I get about you. Yeah.
So that's it. First of all, we have the open mind to you.
Yeah, open mind. Yeah. So and a few preconceived notions. Yeah.
其實基本上我哋每一次去見 Bro 嗰陣時候，都要用一個好開朗嘅心或者開明咗
開自己，譬如係啦，唔好隱瞞啦，亦都唔好有啲嘢話，譬如係根本冇呢件事發生嘅，真係嘗試去問佢呢樣嘢真定假，
或者去嘗試佢咁樣嘅。好啦，咁啊有一位聽眾喺電話隔離啦，我哋不如接佢入嚟先啦。
好 Chris 嘅嚇，
係咪
第二位
？Hello
Chris。Another
Chris。OK，Hello Chris 你好。
哦，好啊，我想同阿 Bro 講啊。
係。
Can I speak English?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Okay, Bro, my deceased father, does he still dislike me? In spite of the fact that I was not happy with him when he was alive.
Oh, the relationship is not good?
He treated my mom.
Oh, okay.
Right.
Okay.
Chris, was there... In your father's family, I feel his father was absent. I don't know if his father was just gone completely or that his father was drank too much and was not kind to him. But would that make sense to you about your grandfather on your paternal side?
I had no idea about my grandfather.
Okay. Now, I feel that your father came from a difficult upbringing on his side of the family, and that would make sense to me if you don't know, because you probably weren't in touch with them because he probably didn't speak to them as much. I don't think that from the afterlife they hold grudges, because what you have to remember is once you've passed on, you can see from a higher perspective everything that you've caused others to feel, and you know it from everyone's perspective. you kind of experience it. Even you get left with all the guilt and the feelings of what you've caused others to feel. I have a saying is that you can't take your money, you can't take your clothes, and you can't take your body with you when you die. All you can take with you is how you've treated others. I would say it's safe to say that your father understands how he treated you and regrets it and will do his best to resolve that from where he is.
Yeah, but before he passed away, I was kind of mad about the way he treated my mom.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So this will upset you.
And so the thing is, what I think has to matter is your disapproval of your father, or your upset, isn't causing him to be upset, but it isn't helping you. No. There's a man, I won't mention his name on the radio, but a friend of mine used to turn red when a certain United States president came on TV. And the president was having a pretty good time, but the man turning red was probably having high blood pressure. So your ill feelings affect you more than anyone else. And it's important for you to feel at peace and to heal from that. And I feel that your father, from where he is now, would probably try to make amends with you. If not in this life, then when you do see him again, you'll find that he understands and that he apologizes at the first sign he can.
Okay, thank you very much.
明唔明啊？幫唔幫到你 Chris？Thank you。
或者可以解釋翻俾其他聽眾聽。
係啦 ，Chris 就頭先話俾我哋聽啦，咁佢係問阿 Bro 嘅，咁啊因為佢之前咧就對於佢爹哋唔係咁好喎，因為點解咧？
因為佢媽媽即係佢爹哋對佢媽媽唔係咁好，所以佢但係佢爹哋呢個唔喺度嘅時候，佢都對比較嬲佢爹哋啦，係啊。
咁然後阿 Chris 就點講？唔係阿 Bro 點樣答翻？
阿 Bro 就話翻俾佢聽，其實好簡單一樣嘢啦，有啲嘢我哋外在睇落去就好似以為嗰個有啲嘢會發生咗之後咧，嗰個人會嬲。係啦，但係其實你要明白一樣嘢，其實對大家好咧。係啦，
因為阿 Brooke 就話，如果主要就話大家對大家好，其實有啲嘢你係帶唔走嘅，你錢帶唔走啦，但係個問題你嘅精神永遠係帶得走嘅。其實個問題就話佢爹哋係冇嬲佢，如果翻嚟嘅時候第一次俾佢嗰個信號咧，如果俾阿 Chris 感應到個信號咧，就係話佢會同佢道歉嘅。係啊，係
佢特別強調就係話阿 Bro 就話。如果佢哋兩個有機會重建，
係啦，冇錯啦，係啊。
OK，咁其實時間咁上下啦，咁其實你想唔想再聽咧？其實仲可以有聽多一個咧，我哋再同阿 Chris 傾多陣偈咧，我哋就啲時間都差唔多啦。
因為其實都想聽多啲關於阿 Bro 嘅嘢嘅，其實。
好，咁聽多個電話啦，好唔好啊？
好啊，
好啊 ，last 一個電話何太
，last call。
Hello， 何太。
你好啊。
你好。
快少少啦，何太。
我想問我爸爸媽媽。依家唔知佢兩個點咧？我爸爸咧就喺香港過身嘅，1985年。
OK。
我媽咧就喺加拿大，就98年過身嘅。
OK，好，你等等下。
98年係咪啊
？98年同埋85年。
Okay, Mrs. Ho is trying to ask about her parents. Her dad passed away in Hong Kong 1985, and her mom passed away in Canada 1998. How are they doing right now on the other side?
I don't feel a direct presence, but I have a vision of butterflies. I think that her mother sends butterflies and birds in an unusual way, that she's noticed a bird do something strange, and many butterflies come around, and she'll think of her mother at this time when it occurs. And I feel her mother needed some care. Like I don't know if she was totally there in her mind. She might have had dementia or Alzheimer's, but she wasn't in her head fully before her crossing, and that she remembers all the care that was given to her after she crossed, and she's thankful for that. Okay. That's pretty much what I pick up. But again, this is all images and feelings because I don't speak the same language, so they're trying to send their thoughts to me in impressions.
Okay.
Yeah.
何太啊，你媽咪咧係咪過身之前咧係咪會唔會係有啲老人病㗎？
係啊。
例如 Alzheimer 咁樣嘅，Alzheimer 咁樣嘅，即係 Alzheimer 老人痴呆。
佢佢有啲個心口有即係有個儀器咯咁。
OK， 即係都係一啲老人家嘅病嚟嘅。咁佢又話啦，咁你一路你媽咪過咗身之前咧，一路都係睇住佢嘅，係咪？咁你媽咪咧就好多謝你睇住佢啦。咁啊，曾經咧佢就係用一啲蝴蝶同埋一啲雀仔咧嚟帶啲信息俾你，尤其是有一隻雀仔喺你眼前面做一啲好特別嘅動作，咁令到人特別啲留意嘅，
令到你會記得起佢嘅。
係啦。
佢有咩啊？
蝴蝶或者雀仔，一啲鳥類啦嚇。
蝴蝶同埋雀仔啊？
係。
我有一次去呢個永安嗰度 買嗰副木咧係有隻蝴蝶響嗰個木嗰度飛嚟飛去咯。
有隻蝴蝶飛嚟飛去。OK， 因為佢呢一隻蝴蝶係應該係你媽咪係想 send 啲信息俾你嘅。啲信息俾你咁樣嘛。咁啊令到你咧就記起佢咁樣嘅啫。哦。係啦。咁你喺嗰邊應該冇問題㗎。係啦。
佢依家佢好唔好？
佢 OK 啊，佢都幾錫你㗎嚇。
佢好好啊。
佢會唔會嬲我啊？
Will she get angry with her? I mean, to pass away, mom?
How did she pass away? Did she explain?
佢點樣過身嘅何太？
佢係有本身有血壓高啦，同埋嗰個心口咧有個儀器喺度啦，就響
佢過身嘅
響孟山拿嗰度過身嘅。
即係咪個心有事咧？
個心口同埋嗰個係心口咯。
血壓嘅問題。
嚇。
OK。
心口都係心口啊。
咁佢嘅
嘔啊成日。
OK。
OK。
But I keep getting that she was forgetful or she wasn't all in her mind and that she wasn't remembering, like her mind wasn't all there before this.
你媽咪係咪成日唔記得嘢㗎？佢臨過身之前係咪真有時候佢好似心不在焉咁樣嘅？
失憶啊，之前有少少。
唔係喎，佢好記得喎。
好記得。
嚇。
會唔會係記得啲舊嘢咧？舊嘢多。
佢冇同我講啲舊嘢咯。佢入咗去醫院30個鐘頭就過咗身來。
OK，咁都幾短啊。
係啦。
佢未去。
得啦，阿何太啊，嗱，我哋都話俾你聽嘅咧，頭先阿煲講咧就係話佢喺嗰邊係好安樂嘅嚇，咁你唔使擔心啦。
因為佢入去醫院。
阿何太啊，我哋嘅時間問題啦，我唔可以再同你傾啦嚇，咁啊話俾你聽，最緊要啦，喺嗰邊係冇問題嘅，你放心啦，好冇？多謝晒，係，拜拜，
拜拜。
好，咁啊，因為時間關係啦，我哋都係要停啦，因為時間今日接咗太多電話，我手都軟埋，出晒汗。
其實我知阿 Bro 都亦都好攰啊。
I'm sweating and I think Bro is sweating too. So we have to stop this 啊。OK， 咁我哋不如即係再同阿 Bro 傾下偈啦，唔好淨係接電話啦。
最後5分鐘。
最後5分鐘啦，咁我哋都繼續問下阿 Bro 嘅問題啦，好嘛？
係啦，我其實想問佢關於咧，佢一路收嗰啲信息咧，佢頭先話中文嘅喎，佢覺唔覺得佢係咪第一次收呢啲嘢？
有冇壓力咧
？Is your first time trying to get messages in another language? Is there a lot of pressure doing that?
No, there isn't so much pressure except the messages could be coming from parents or grandparents, and they're coming in the form of visions. So oftentimes, even for a caller, maybe they don't remember something, and then they get off the air, and then they recall it. So many times my clients leave a reading saying, no, and then they get in the car and go, wait a minute. Or my favorite is when they bring a friend or a family member with them, and I'm saying something, and they say no, and then their friend kicks them under the table.
Yeah.
What are you talking about? Yeah, of course.
It happens tonight too.
Yeah.
So you see like some audiences keep calling back. Yeah,
其實
from something.
阿煲頭先講咧就話有陣時有啲朋友咧，即係佢嘅經驗啦嚇。有陣時嗰啲朋友咧同佢講嗰陣時咧。
冇啊，
佢唔記得嘅，
係冇錯。
反而咧有陣時佢帶啲朋友嚟咧，嗰啲朋友仲記得多過佢，即係所以有陣時咧走咗先係，諗翻轉頭，有陣時啲親朋戚友過咗世太耐啊，
係啊，
咁佢自己有陣時啲可能係唔記得咗嘅，
係啊，
到講完之後先記得嘅都唔定㗎嚇。
正如今晚咁，都好多聽眾重複又打過嚟再問過啦，
係啊，冇錯啦，
即係佢哋會諗起啲嘢，咦係咁樣咯，係啊。
好啦，咁啊，其實我都想問阿煲咧，其實你覺得即係嗱 Peter 同我問下佢就係話，如果佢覺得做一個靈媒，除咗揾錢啦，唔好話講做生意呢樣嘢啫，係咪真係覺唔覺得點樣可以用邊一方面去幫到人啊，或者幫到自己啦嚇
？As being a psychic, other than making money, how else can you help other people?
Or maybe help yourself.
Yeah, helping yourself.
Yes. Well, you see, it's not. You really don't make good money doing this.
Because so I'm not joining then.
Yeah, don't join in.
Okay,
but,
sure.
Really, I think it depends on the kind of person. Many people can be psychic but not a nice person. I'm the type of person that's more of a therapist. I think that my goal is to find peace and heal broken hearts and help people find meaning to their life. Because if I can see the future, if I can see something about someone, that means life is prescripted. It means there's meaning, it's not random, and you're not going to fail.
阿煲嘅解釋就係答俾我哋聽，其實佢係用嚟醫人多啦，佢想做一個好似治療師嘅角色咁啊，幫人哋見到人哋嘅，例如話感情上面啊，或者佢嘅人生上面有啲咩問題，佢都嘗試幫你去解答到。然之後佢自己又覺得人嘅人生咧之前已經寫定咗啦，佢就係因為見到呢個古仔，佢先可以作出相對嘅回應或者反應啦。
呢個物理同我哋呢個中國嗰個理念都差唔多嚇，係咯。
同埋我強調啊，唔係真係咁揾錢嘅咋。
好啊，今日咧真係時間差唔多啦。 啦，咁真係好多謝阿 Bro 今日上嚟啦，咁令到我哋好旺啦嚇。咁其實係啦 ，give me a hand，big hand。係啊。咁其實咧仲有一樣嘢嘅，因為我哋嘅問題啦，即係有啲條件問題啦，我哋唔可以喺度就公開阿 Bro 嘅電話。但係如果你啲聽眾咧真係有興趣咧，想同阿 Bro 預約咧，我哋係可以再打電話嚟俾我私下俾阿 Bro 嘅電話嚟。冇錯。甚至咧，我哋可以講阿 Bro 個 email address 啦。如果你哋想make 個 appointment 同我哋見下做一個 section 咧，咁你絕對可以揾阿 Bro 嘅。咁佢話阿 Bro 嗰個 email address，you can say the email here.
Sure, it's BROUGH.PERKINS@gmail.com。
好啦，咁希望大家都記得到啦嚇。咁如果真係記唔到嘅朋友咧，唔緊要嘅，隨時打話上嚟俾我哋
辦公時間啦。
辦公時間打俾上，我有佢張卡片喺度，你揾 LJ Peter 或者三妹都得㗎啦，Albert 都得㗎。
如果唔係，其實最直接嘅方法就係網上重聽啦。
係啦，咁你可以記得佢嘅 email address，隨時可以揾佢幫到手嘅。咁希望大家好運啦，新年都嚇。
OK。
好，咁嘅時間真係夠晒啦嚇，咁再多一次阿 Bro 一次啦。咁我哋下個禮拜同樣時間越嚟越深科再見啦，拜拜。
拜拜。
拜。